And there's another trade in the books for the crypto lifers, taking down another green candle. How many green candles can we take down in a week? I challenge another trading crew to come against us. The lifers are the strongest trading crew in the game. Called the Cardano move perfectly with an inverted head and shoulder on the 15-minute, like a boss. Like a boss. Sat down on my computer, drew a line, and knew what was up. Made the call like a boss. Like I knew it was gonna happen. Come on now. Come on now. Cup and handle if you wanna even go that far. We're gonna show you how we did it, how we got into it. We're gonna teach you a little thing or two, something about technical analysis in cryptocurrency you are going to learn tonight. And you're going to find a way to change your life. I'm telling you right now. Like a boss, baby, like a boss. I work for no man. My mind finds my way out of every situation. I work for no man. I'll see you all at the live stream. See how quick I drew that? See how quick I found that move on the 1 minute? Come on now. Get ready to find out what's going down. 9 minutes ago. You won't believe what you're going to see right now. You're new to the channel. Check 1 2 1 2 every time now. Every time. Just in case. Is this thing on? I can get big on you. Get double time. Double time. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Welcome to the Crypto Liver Show. You are now watching the Crypto Liver. I am a bot. I just trade and sell and trade and sell and make money. I am a bot. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. You are all soldiers of the crypto. Appreciate each and every one of you for fighting the crypto battle every single day. Doing what you got to do to be here and be live and get busy. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. And I love each and every one of you. You know that from the bottom of my heart. Because without you, there is no me. Without me, there is no you. And there it is. The Crypto Lifer family is created together as we sit in harmony. One. Harmony one. One harmony. Are we talking about cryptocurrency? Shout out to everyone here at Hammer Time. Shout out to the Boston Bot. Shout out to Crypto Greg. Boston Greg. Boston George. Boston Sam. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you so much for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me. And that is your time. And that is your time. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the show. Excellent connection. 80 viewers. Let's get the likes up to the viewers. 53 likes, 80 viewers. You guys are doing unbelievable. Really, really appreciate it. Ada, I don't think it's done. Look like it's going for a little more. If not, you check the 15-minute and see if it's flagging out of some type. Sometimes the 7-minute might help you a little bit more. See how we used to use the 7-minute more when we were in a bearish scenario. In chop markets, I got into tinier framed situations. As the market grows, we'll get into bigger frames. And that's how you change your market cycle. You start trading daily and 4-hour candles more than 1 hour and 15-minute. You start broadening your horizons. All right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. We hit a bunch of calls literally in the last half an hour, couple hours right here. Cardano. You have a bigger call that I gave you here that's been sitting since I gave you Cardano here at 240, booming to the upside all the way to $3.02 is my target. And it's highly likely we're going to hit there. We're halfway there. We're on our way for Cardano. If you missed that call, I gave you another call right here, booming to open up here. And that was in this inverted head and shoulder. I gave the call not too long ago. Let's take a look at the call in the Patreons. And it's not a huge gain. It's not like gigantic, but I just want to show you how quick to trick we are to see what's happening in the markets. Okay? And yeah, and I believe it was a video call. You can take a look at this. They get video calls. That's what I'm telling you. Video calls. I didn't mess up the audio on this one, but if you watch the video call and just look at it, suggesting that it's about to break up to the upside, Cardano booming. And Cardano, sure it does. It booms to the upside. So anyway, video calls given and handed and booms to the upside. What else has popped? Well, VRA. We took this for 29%. It looks like it's going to go for more as well. We have another call for that. Continuing to the upside. Let's take a look. It's a full moon tonight, and it's Bitcoin's weekly candle close. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and the weekly candle close. The weekly candle close. Yo, Yo, check it out. Yo, check it out. Check it out. Bitcoin's getting big, though, for us. Look at the weekly candle close. Let's take a look at the weekly candle for Bitcoin. A giant, big candle. It was red maybe not too long ago. Maybe I was like, I hope we clean up this weekly candle for Bitcoin. Also, I've had a call open for Bitcoin that's just booming, continuing to the upside. Can't stop us. Won't stop us. I saw the inverted head and shoulder right here, and I said, boom. It's funny, I basically kind of predicted this move as well, even though it's just the TA. It's just the TA. I'm just, you know what it is? I watch the TA all day. I get paid to watch TA all day, so of course I'm going to see it happen. And TA's that good. TA tells you when something is going to happen, and I'm that just, you know, keen to it. I'm like, just keen on them. Keen on them, you know? We gave another call for KuCOIN. Looks like it's going to boom to the upside. Let's take a look at that, you know? So look at this. This is before this happened. This is on 6:44 p.m., right? Right now it is 8:40 p.m., 2 hours ago. Right? Look at that. Inverted head and shoulder. We're doing our thing, and bam. And what anything likes to do is it likes to stay in the target until it does not. I've got a couple ideas here for BTC. Look at this. It did form a falling wedge. It's breaking out of the falling wedge. Interesting enough. And I'm going to even make it a little more interesting as well. Shout out to everyone jumping on in to the Crypto Lifer Show. I go over crypto every single day. I go over Bitcoin every single day for the first 15 minutes, you know, depending on the day. This is the weekly candle, so we do a little bit more, have a little more fun with it. And look, this is a flag. Flags do this. I'm going to give you your target for BTC. Highly likely, this is our target for Bitcoin. I've been doing this for a while. My targets hit about 80 to 90% of the time, which is vague, right? About 80. But what's it? Fine, 85%, 84.49% of the time. Look at that. $54,000 Bitcoin, 5389, something like that. I'm calling for it right now. I'm telling you, I see a $54,000 Bitcoin. I would take a long out for BTC. Again, none of this is financial advice. Get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before getting into any trade, project, or coin. All right? My stop loss could be here at 5, about right. It has to be about there for a 2.45. Not the best. Might shave it right here. Could shave it a little bit here to about, yeah, that makes more sense to me, 2.93. There's your call for BTC. Booming to the upside, breaking out, looking very nice. Look for a double top flag issue here. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is in a beautiful place right now for a nasty, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're going to be doing this tomorrow.
Now that's a lot of damage.
Every time, baby. Every time. Bitcoin about to pump to the upside, booming. Look at this. Look at this. Huge signal flashing as it breaks out of a falling wedge, ready to rock. Gigantic weekly candle close. Asia has come in and bought up the stock. There is a supply shock for Bitcoin that people don't realize. I'm telling you right now, there is a supply shock for Bitcoin. People do not realize it is going to become the scarcest asset in the world. It already is, and people don't even know it. Isn't that amazing? They don't know. So if you've been stacking your Satoshis, you're holding one of the greatest assets. And if you even know how to grow Satoshis, most people don't even know how to grow their Satoshis. Most people don't even know what a Bitcoin pair is. If you even know what a Bitcoin pair is, you've got to step on 99% of the globe right now. Can you believe that? So if you're a crypto lifer, you guys have no clue. You're going to look back on these times and say, oh my God, I'm going to make multiple millionaires. Mark my words. I'm going to print multiple millionaires through this channel. Many people will get paid through cryptocurrency. It will be the biggest transfer of wealth you have ever seen in the history of man coming to you. If you can get into Cardano right now and hold it for 5 years, you will be sitting on a gem. I bought Cardano for 2 cents about 5 years ago now at this point. And I am one of the happiest people you have ever seen looking at my bags of Cardano. Could not believe it. Wish I bought more, of course. That's the thing. Always wish you bought more Cardano. More of the big winners. Always wish you got more. Can I like it like 10 times? Please, preach. Join the Patreon. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Without your time, you can't come here. Without you being here, there's no algorithmic moves. Without no algorithmic moves, we have no 105 people watching and 72 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? It would be super appreciated. Thank you so much. It would be the nicest thing. You can help someone else find my channel and learn how to trade, learn how to get themselves situated so they don't lose money anymore, so they can start figuring out a way to change their life, so they can find some hope. Some people got into cryptocurrency and they just got wrecked over and over again, and it's only because they just didn't have someone to show them the way, teach them the guidance. You know what I'm saying? And now, and I'm actually going to show you something amazing right now. Check this out. This is pretty interesting because to me, this is like a fractal for Bitcoin. And it's, wow, very interesting. So I see BTC pumping to the upside for sure. All right, 1 hour is getting a little spent. Look for it to flag out here and for the altcoins to take position and move. We'll take a look at, so right now all is well for BTC. And they could be liquidity jumping and flag us back down and then dump us all the way back down. You could go to 25K tomorrow. I always believe that anything is possible for Bitcoin. But I take the TA each day. And today it looks good to me. Tomorrow morning we'll find out the next and the next and the next. And I'll look at it every 6 to 7 hours for the rest of my life. And that literally will be my life. Bitcoin until I move on to something else or whatever happens to me. But for the next 5 to 10 years, it looks like I'm locked into trading BTC with a group of people and having a blast doing it. So, if you're excited about being with the Crypto Lifer for the long haul, get ready. It's going to be a long, long ride, baby. And we're just getting started. Approaching 12,000 subscribers on our way to boom. So, I'm going to watch Bitcoin here. It could flag up even more double top. Momentum is in our favor. Just getting a MACD cross. There's a lot of momentum here. Booming to the upside. We'll take a look at total 2, show you where we're going in the market caps as well. Everything looking good for Bitcoin. Beautiful. Let's take a look at COM. I just jumped into COM. Let's take a look at COM doing its thing. Okay, it pumped and then it dumped. Interesting. Pumped beautifully, took a nice dump. So maybe it's in this channel here, opening up. Always ready to switch my position. Looked like it was about to do some serious damage. Look at it in a smaller time frame. Yeah, okay, it's just staying inside the pattern. I still have bullish sentiment for this coin in a rising wedge, which does have a 68% chance of a break to the downside. Remember that. This is a high risk, high reward play. It's more likely you get stopped out than you don't, right? Even with this little push up, you could even shave the stop just a little bit, 0.5%. I save as much as I can every time I get a little bit of movement in price action. I'm here for that. XEC made 50%. Can I see this coin pumping in the next week? XEC made 50% move. Can see this coin. XEC, we'll take a look at that. What's your 100 X's, guys? Lifer Pro, what about Combo? I don't know what Combo is. Comb, Easy 10X. Yeah, there you go. See? Can I like it 10 times? Popped out. Didn't pop out on the YouTube like you normally do. Kind of weird. People say that all the time. Can you show us how you reform your honeybee rewards? I'm a little confused on the process. I did that last night. Why don't you just go watch the video at the end last night, kind of stream through it till you see me playing with honey, and then jump on in. I could just replay the show from last night where I did that. Shout out to Killian Bowen. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for coming on. If you want a special request, like a farming request, you want to watch me do something interesting, throw water on my face, walk on my hands, please send in a super chat. I'd greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, moving forward. The call of the night. Cardano booming. Looking beautiful. Green candles. Let's look at Cardano on Binance. I only trade on Binance, man. I only trade on Binance, man. And there's it got divergence swinging up. Cardano still pushing to the upside at 272. Breaking all-time highs. Cardano is now in what's called price discovery. Cardano and price discovery doing damage. Telcoin up is a call we gave in the Patreon. Doing damage. Booming. Had you got into Telcoin, you'd be up considerably. Very, very nice. Already up about 20 to 25% on its way to 60% gains. BTC, we call this move here. Doing very nice. VRA looks highly likely to break out. Booming to the upside. Should follow through with the rest of the market. CAG looking very nice. Targets looming. There you go. Booming to the upside. Look at that. Ready to rock. Reef already threw the call out and it boomed out. Let's take a look at Reef. Let's take a look at the call. I like to put the call side by side, the chart. And we gave this call earlier today. I was sitting at my computer running through charts like I do. and I saw that Reef was highly likely to break out. There's the call for Reef, and there it is, booming to the upside. What did I see that let me know that this was probably going to happen or highly likely? What are your thoughts and predictions on ACH over the next 24 to 72 hours? I got some information on ACH I want to drop with you. I think we should huddle up together and take a look at it. So look, Reef, think it's about to pop? Pops. Think about to pop? Pops. Think it's about to pop? Pop. Pop goes the weasel. Anyway, we do this every single day, okay? The original call was to enter here, right here. So if you were in the original call, you've been in Reef since down here. Let me show you how much you've been up in Reef since we gave you the call. You'd be up 15 at the most already, about 18%, okay, for Reef. Waves accumulate in this zone. This is a call that I give to my Patreons, well explained, fully blown out with details. They know what's happening. They know what's going down. Waves. There's also news, things, adrenaline, other things pushed. LRC. Looking at this last night. Drew a cup and handle. Boom to the upside. I admit I fell asleep and did not post it accidentally. I'm sitting with one of my analysts. We're talking together. He goes, LRC, nothing's happened with that. I look at it. I draw a cup and handle. And, by my rules, I always wait for the 21 to curve. I saw down here, that's it. I pulled this long chart. And I said, man, that's really strange. I said, that little handle should never make something that big. I said, that doesn't make any sense. But I drew the target. I said, the TA is the TA. Don't second guess it. And boom, the TA booms to the upside. Acro, have a look, please. Okay, so moving forward. Let me get rid of all these awesome charts. Thank you for the $5 super chat from Joseph Brown. We'll take a look at Acro for you. Thank you so much for coming on in to the Crypto Lifer Show, the best show on YouTube. You've seen nothing like it. Everyone else says you come to their channel, like BitBoy says, in the show to make money. If you like making money in cryptocurrency, he made a bold prediction to sell all your crypto in September, October. He made a, nobody knows if that's really going to happen or not. He may have like some insider idea and he's like, it's going to, and he wants to put it out there now. And he may be right, he may not be. I don't know. But I just think it's a bold prediction to make. Okay. Also, it doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with SafeMoon. I looked at my SafeMoon bag today. It looks completely fine. Want to sell it, you can sell it. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong with SafeMoon. So in my opinion, I don't know. I don't seem too stressed about SafeMoon. I don't know why everyone's stressed about the exploit. Maybe it's worse than I know. I didn't do 100% deep diving into it. But so far on the other side of things, everything looks good. AVAX booming to the upside, pushing up, out. We gave the call for AVAX so long ago, and we've been tracking it ever since it blew out of this cup and handle. If you've been in my channel, you've been getting into so many of these coins. I put so many on your radar. Literally, you could have long-term hold anything I gave you in the last few weeks. Boom, boom, boom. Let's take a look at Acro for my man, Acro. I used to listen to a rapper called Acrobatic. We used to call him Acro. So here's my call for Acro, booming to the upside. If you took the call, you made a nice chunk of change. This was a cup and handle that I saw. It was weird to me. It was a very strange handle. But I drew it anyway, and I said, hey, man, it's going to break a big level. And I saw that it was low in stochastics. I trusted the stochastics on the move. And then I think it would come here. Look, dun, 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 dun. It's amazing how it hit my exact target and then had issues getting through it. Why? I picked a previous resistance point. It's very simple. I trade support and resistance with Fibonacci levels, with my moving averages. I can tell, look, when the moving averages get tight, start moving to the upside momentum. When they get very far apart, it either goes sideways or the price drops. When they get tight again, it's time for another move. You're also seeing the 21 cross the 50, Acro booming to the upside. So here's a call for Acro that I never even got to check on. Boom to the upside. A nice 11% gains for Acro. And more. See, and the other thing is a lot of people said to me is like, yeah, I'll give you a trade. But by golly gee oh my, if you like the project, if you've researched it, you swing to break even, you're in the trade, you keep it going. And you're now up 16% and highly unlikely you're going to get your stop loss taken out. It's below the moving averages. Things are starting to reset and you're moving to the upside. So Acro was in a bit of this though, had in this beautiful pennant, and they did what they did. A lot of people would have gotten in here, somewhere or here, and they stopped you out. They tried to get everyone who took the previous low. So sometimes you got to be even a little more dangerous with the stop loss, but boom, to the upside. They are trying to get the stop losses here, especially on the smaller exchanges. You just got to be careful and try to dodge them the best you can. Sometimes it's better to use a smaller position and a larger stop loss or none at all. Like say you put $5,000 and you're willing to lose $500. You put a stop loss for through 300 and it hits and you leave the trade, you lose. But what if you just threw 500 in there and walked away and a week later it turns into $1,000? It's better than the 500 that lost 200. You see what I'm saying? So what? You have the guns and you have the powder. Doesn't mean you can't make a smaller trade sometimes, just depending on the risk. You know. Can you look at rec, please? Thank you. Had an awesome tutoring session and love being part of the Patreon. Priceless people, you are missing out. Thank you so much. Shrug and Fast Show. Thank you, Rodney Robinson. Best 99 you'll ever invest in yourself. The Patreon. Thank you so much. We'll take a look at ACH. Can't wait to take a look at it. What are your thoughts on ACH? Let's take a look at it. What about Comb? Look to Comb. What are your thoughts on ACH over the next 24 to 72 hours? Let's take a look at ACH. We went over Acro for my man. Let me tell you what I think is going down now. Has a very, very big target for Acro. Honestly, this is just, honestly, we just saw this happen with LRC. I honestly kind of want to take an LRC bit of a, this could do an LRC not too long from now. Let's take a look at the previous high for, these things are just trying to get back up to their previous spots. Acro. On a bigger time frame too, it's in a giant cup and handle with a huge target. Look at this target. There's the length of the pole. Formed a big handle. Cracked the handle. Honestly, when the handles are small too, that tells me that there's heavy momentum in the game. Hyper parabolic phrases start with small handles and large candles. See how I did that? I know you like that. I didn't even know I was going to do it till I did it. It was that crazy. I swear, because I'm a rapper and I've been freestyling my whole life, so I was just like, whoa, let me pull it out. So check it out. Acro doing its thing, swinging with the bowl, booming, cup and handle to the upside. I can see Acro doing serious damage. I even would have the nerve to take this as my entire bowl. Here's my call for Acro, not too long from now. Acro all the way back up to about 5 cents and 4/10 of a cent from 366. What are you going to get? A nice booming 48.99% gains for Acro. Had to break this big key level here. Once it does, Acro is gone. It's sitting at 366. It breaks through this level. Why? Because there's a dagger of a price action right here that comes right in to the support and resistance region. We need to break through that resistance, bounce off support. If you see Acro pump hard and you're feeling fiending, you really want to get down, you like the project, it goes up. Look for it to retest the support line and get it up to the upside. Never chase a green candle. Look for price to come back to support and resistance before you enter a trade. More highly likely that you will not be getting stopped out of your trades. It takes a lot more patience to do this, and it's not as easy as it looks. Let's take a look at ACH for my man. I'm super excited about ACH. Alchemy Pay, dude. I even like saying Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay, Alchemy Pay. Oh, you're an Alchemy Pay? Oh, you like Alchemy Pay? I like Alchemy Pay. Here's the call for Alchemy Pay, booming to the upside. I gave the call not too long from now on the 1 hour chart. Here it is, about to hit close to the target. Got rejected by this previous support line that I had. Targets right above this too as well. What's happening? It's forming another flag, getting ready for more for the upside. This is a beautiful bull flag. Obviously, highly likely it's going to play out. I've seen this many times. Came close to the 21. It's ready to rock. That's good enough in a bull zone. You know what I'm saying? It kissed it, basically kissed it, And now we got our rock, our move. This is about to boom to the upside. First call, basically we can say almost hit the target. But shout out to anyone that took the call for ACH earlier today. 18% gains, booming to the upside. When was the call given? Let's take a look at the call. If you were a Patreon, another call given today. I post profitable calls every single day. I go over them on the live stream every single day. I prove that my Patreon works every single day. I've never seen a Patreon do this. I've never seen a more transparent Patreon. I've never seen it in my life. Let's get more people helped. Let's show them the way. Let's get it moving. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the live stream. I do what I say and I say what I do. Let's keep moving every single day with cryptocurrency. ACH, baby. ACH. I haven't taken a day off in a year and a half, baby. Not a day off on that live stream. Not a day. It's been maybe not. I think it's been at least a year since I took a day off from the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. ACH. And we even gave news, CEO telling you that there's going to be some huge news, probably something with maybe Alibaba, which is pretty insane, right? Now I see HEH doing more. I'm in Alchemy Pay as well, doing its thing. At least this target up to 13.9 on the call. It's breaking out. This would be a breakout call. You would be buying the breakout, which we don't always do, but there's 21% gains here for Alchemy Pay. Not too shabby at all. Watch Alchemy Pay boom to the upside. Alchemy Pay. 21% gains for Alchemy Pay. All right? Beautiful call. Let's take a look at what else you guys are asking about here on the Super Chats. Acro, have a look, please. We nailed it. Can you look at Rec, please? Aliyah had an awesome tutoring session. Thank you so much, Rodney Robinson. Can you look at Fire Protocol versus ETH? I know it's for sure. It's on a Dex Tools if you can't find it. Less than a mile market cap. Less than a milli market cap. Thank you. We'll take a look at Fire. Remember Fire back in the day. ACH, big news coming. Wow, a year and a half, bro. You're a beast. Give this man his credit. Hit the like button. Shout out to 9 p.m. Crypto Greg, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Oh, it gives you guys name. I never saw that. Now it's giving everyone a time when they put it out. That's interesting. I never seen that. Maybe I interacted that. Metaverses, can you check what Refinable is doing on KuCOIN, please? Contract address and proper market cap are on C Market. It's finally starting to move from the deep lows. I think it'll multi-X. I think it is too. I think it's going to be a big deal. I think you're completely right. Anything with those people behind it, Mr. Beast and Binance, how can it not boom up to the upside? Once NFTs boom, it's already set. No one's talking about it either. It's a good time to get into something when nobody is talking about it, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Okay, let's take a look at Rec. Let's take a look at Fire Protocol. Some other, thank you so much for the super chats too. Much appreciated. I woke up today and I went to the bathroom. The same story I'm going to tell every time on the live stream. First thing I did is I said thank you for my legs. I walked to the bathroom, went to the bathroom, and I was so happy that I was able to walk to the bathroom. Didn't really matter how much money I have. Didn't matter what was going on in life. It mattered that I had my legs and I walked to the bathroom. Okay, so, it's my beautiful daughter. I love her to death. She's the greatest thing in my life. Thank you for my stickers, baby. She handed me my doing damage stickers. Who wants a doing damage sticker? I got to get these out. If you want a doing damage sticker, email cryptolifers@gmail with some type of address. We'll try to get one out to you. Can you check what Refinable is doing on KuCOIN, please? Contract address and proper market cap. We'll take a look at that in a second if you want. Super chat, it would be nice. Been killing it the last few weeks. Nearly out of the hole. I was in when we first had my session a few months back. Any KuCOINs worth investing in? Shout out to Anko Sibutsu. I haven't looked at any at the moment. Mini football looks like it's ready for more. No lie, mini football looks like it's ready for more. Alchemy Pay is definitely ready for. Look at this low stochastics ready to rip. This is looking very nice. It's also this J hook pattern. See, a lot of people call it the J, and they trade the J in the stock market. They call it the J hook. Scallop. Some people call it a scallop. So many people calling it different things. So many people trade the same things, but they do different things with it. They look at it differently, but as long as they see a pattern, like these J patterns, see? This will make another J pattern. It is what it is. It depends. That's like Timothy Sykes. That's what he'll teach you. I don't even know that. Just someone I know went into Timothy Sykes' thing. I guarantee I could trade his pants off. I want to trade Timothy Sykes. Let him know I'm looking for him. Let him know the Crypto Lifer wants him to come onto the show one day. If anybody knows him, let him know I'm looking for him. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. I'm just messing around. Let's look at MTV. Ready for more. Look at this. Booming to the upside. MTV. 42% gains, booming to the upside. Another call given to the Patreons. No stop loss got hit. We were 7.85% to gain 42%. Boom. We made another gain on that earlier. We've been hitting MTV every other day for the last few days. And look what it's about to do now. Is the Crypto Lifer about to make another insane call? Look at this. Inverted cup and handle. 4 hours still has momentum to the upside. This is insanity. Let's take a look at it on the 15-minute. Yes, yes, and more yeses, please. Let it shine on me, baby. Let it shine on me. Happy to be here. Happy to be here with every single one of you. Thank you so much for coming to the Crypto Lifer Show and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Without you, there's no me. Without me, there's no you. Together, we make it. Okay? It's not like you're George and I'm George. It's not like that. It's more like this, you know? Check it out. I see this booming and getting a little more, right? It's also inside, as I tell you all the time, right? An inverted cup and handle is nothing but usually an ascending triangle or a bull pennant, depending on how you look at it. If it makes sense, it makes sense. It is breaking out now. Highly likely MTV is going to do some more damage. You know, it'd probably go sideways, make a bit of a pennant here on the 15-minute and give you a little bit of time to get in. So if you're fiending to get into a trade, you like how this looks, you like the Crypto Lifer, and this makes sense. Again, none of this is financial advice. I would make yourself a bull pennant. I would get yourself a free account. Right now, check it out. I would go, this is what I would do. If you just jumped into cryptocurrency, you have no idea what's going on. I would hit this link right here to TradingView, right? I would open up myself a TradingView account, right? $155 for the year, which isn't too bad for what it gives you. Look at the alerts coming here, waves and VRA. Let's take a look at my alerts as well. Booming. All right, you have a free account for 30 days to get used to it, see what's going down. Hopefully in that time you can turn a little turkey. You know what I'm saying? Now from there, you start looking at the trade that I'm doing. Find it on the 5-minute, make some lines, put it in the same position. Find this long tool. It's not that hard. It's called the long position. Put it where you think it's going to be. Pull the flag out and get ready to make your first trade of your entire life with the Crypto Lifer. I would invite you to do it step by step. I'll take you every step of the way. If you join my Patreon, I'll take you every step of the way through all the different trades. I will give you video updates every single day about Bitcoin, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 times if I have to, depending on the volatility in the market. I will keep you up to date with what's happening. I will show you the possible bearish scenario, as I showed Bitcoin could have been in a head and shoulder pattern, and I had to say it. So with that being said, this is highly likely to boom. Let me give you the measured move now, because we have another measured move. Length of the pole doing its thing. This is another call here for MTV now. So now you can see how these calls get made. Some of them get made here on the live stream in front of people. Not like these other calls that get made in the dark shadows of the internet. They get made right out here in the bright daylight. And not hitting on anyone that doesn't do this. I just happen to do it. I'm just saying. So that's all it is. Shout out to everyone here on the live, and thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. And honestly, all of this is just hard work every single day. Anything you do in life, you're going to be good at if you put in the 110%. That's how it works here in the universe. That's the system we live in. If you put in, you get out. It's an input-output system here, and it works every single time. It works here in trading, and it works in any system that you're in. The better, more precise the system, the better. And this trading is a good system to kind of get into systeming yourself, if you call it, or like creating any system. Like if you're going to find something that's going to shift you into becoming more systematic, why not take trading? You could take like acrobatics, or you could take, gym. You could be a gymnast, all different types of things that put you inside of a system, so you have to do them. But here's the call for MTV, highly likely to play out here. The idea is, though, I wouldn't get in right now, as I'm showing you. I don't tell you, see, the calls are boom. And what I do here is I put an alert down here. I'll wait for the alert to pop. When this pops, I'm ready to rock on the MTV call. So this is how you do it. I'm teaching all my lifers how to project patterns before they happen, how to set alerts, how to make a call before the call. Every trade should at least be an hour beforehand. You should know the trade before the trade even exists. You should be beginning to find the trade before the trade finds you, if you know what I'm saying. I just made that one up. It sounded pretty cool. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let's check the view count. Let's check the likes. Appreciate each and every. We got 109 likes, 130 viewers. Thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you so much for the love. Each and every one of you kicking it. Appreciate you guys. Let's take a look back into the chats and see what's going on. All the crypto lifers, each and every one of you. You know if you're a lifer. If you're a lifer, give yourself a pat on the back. If you're a lifer, please hit 33 in the comment section below, please. If you're a lifer, hit 33 in the comment section below. Let me know you're here, baby. Let me know you're representing the lifer crew. Ada has huge volume. Wow, Ada. You get what you project every single time. MLN is looking really good. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Oh my God, Ada. Can you please take a look at BTT? Ada 276. 110 likes. Lifer versus Timothy. You guys are funny, man. Link for the Patreon under the video. Ollie, mini football had a massive dip. That was eaten up in like 30 seconds. Crazy stuff. Please hit them likes and Lifer in the like family. Sam is a role model for all you fathers out there. Shout out to Marie. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I love my daughters, and you got to be there for your family. Number one, alcohol has no place in your relationship with your kids. I'm sorry to say that, and I don't mean to... Or you know what? Alcohol has no place in the relationship with me and my kids. I don't know what everyone else does, and I don't really... it's not for me to judge. For me and myself, I like to be... And that doesn't make me perfect either. Just because I don't drink booze, right? Like I used to, Anyway, I'll get into... Whatever. But shout out to all the 33 people. Shout out to all the love. Thank you for coming on in. Let's get a sip of water here. Keep drinking your lemon water every single day, guys. It's the best thing for you inside of the doing damage glass. Have a sip, guys. Have a sip. And gals, ladies and gents, crypto life vets. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Let's keep it moving. MTB looks highly likely to play up again. We hit this one. We hit that one. We hit this one. We hit that one. Will we hit another one? This is what's called a parabolic move to the upside. It's the parabola. It will eventually have a blow off top, but it's forming the parabola. Boom. Okay? The parabola. All right? So MTB booming to the upside, forming a beautiful bull pennant, inverted head and shoulder. You can even see the inverted head and shoulder here on the stochastics RSI. MACD about to have a MACD cross. Falling volume with falling price tells me we're about to have a reversal to the upside. The only bearish sign that we saw was this, which I love to see, which, swing up on price. These are annoying. I wish they would make these smaller. Someone make me one of those smaller with a better script, please. Nice and neat. I want it neater than that. You can right click it, hit the settings and do the compact stats. Maybe I'm going to do that for now, and it just shows the percentages and the risk-to-reward ratio. That's all we need anyway, right? Maybe that's what it's going to be, because I'm just so sick of the freaking... But it doesn't make it any smaller. That's the only thing, too. It doesn't really make it any smaller. Okay, so, boom. And look, we have movement in the stochastic. There's just so many reasons why MTV is highly likely to play up to the upside here. Given the call here right now. And I gave, I'm going to explain here live what to do. Hopefully my Patreons can pick it up, figure it out. You could even get it. Now, technically, if it stays in the flag that it's going to stay in, right, on this 15-minute, and it flags out here, right, if it stays in some type of a flag, it does have to reset. Remember that. 15-minute is high. So it's going to flag out, or it's going to come down and make a new pattern. And then you could even get stopped out. Anything is possible. Nothing is guaranteed in this game. The less you know, the less you say you don't know, the more you'll make, the more money you'll make. Isn't that crazy? The more ignorant you tell yourself you are, the more money you will make in this game. The smarter you tell yourself you are, oh, I'm a smarty pants, I know, oh, price is going to... That's when you lose hard. And everyone's like, whoa, but you make your channel out of predictions. Yeah. All I do is show you what the TA is telling me is going to happen. What the chart's going to convey. You hear me say it all the time. What the chart conveys, my friends. All I tell you is what the chart conveys. That's my way of getting out around the word to say, I think this is... Oh, well, I think... What does the chart convey? What does the chart convey? And then my Patrons get the call. Say you're working right now. Say you can't look at the live stream. Right? Say you're reading your daughter a book right now at bed. Your phone vibrates. You look at it. You flip it up. You say, hold on 1 second, honey. You go to your account. You make a trade. Bam. You go back to reading the book with your daughter. You go to sleep. The next morning you wake up to 24% gains for MTV and you say, thank you, Crypto Lifer. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Lifer the competitor to ACH's AMP. Can you take a peek at AMP? It's looking spicy. Thanks. Let's take a look at AMP from my man, Crypto Craig. Let's take a look at REQ too as well. I know we had a super chat, and let's take a look at Fire Protocol. Shout out to Ja Soleil with the top spinning wow for the $4.99 super chat. Thank you so much. Mixed, aka Ja Solana. See what I did there? I know you like that. Been killing it the last few weeks. Nearly out of the hole. I'm so excited for you. I want you all the way at the top, baby. Can you take a look at Fire Protocol on Dex Tools? We'll take a look at that very small market cap as well. Look at all my 33s coming in. 33, 33, 33. Tree City West, Jeff Brown, Bobby Fan, Anko, Chad Smith, Matt May, Aishi Con, Ekaya Corfield, Killian Bowen, Alexander Gustav, Alex Yu, Rodney Robinson, Rocket Dog, my dude. Appreciate you, my kid. Mark Sanders, Calder Runster, my man. I appreciate you, Kev. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington up in the spot. Susie A, Little Schmitty, Ryan McGoughlin, Crypto Dingo, PH Dold, DeFi Tev. Sunday is the best stream. 33333 for Crypto Greg, Tenacious Tim, Ali, all my peoples. Thank you for getting on in. Giving you guys a screen shout out. Thank you for each and every one of you. Goodbye on Coinbase, Matic, Mask, or AMP. Shout out to Calder Alderson for the $2 super chat. We'll take a look at AMP right now. That might just be your answer. Let's take a look at Truck and Fausto. You're translating the language of the charts. There you go. That's right, Ja Soleil. Chad Smith, moon is up. Yeah, baby. Full moon pump. The blue moon, full moon pump. Doing what it does, baby. Doing what it does. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your... Hey! Appreciate each and every one of you, man. Thank you for coming on. You never know what you're going to see on the Crypto Lifer Show, but you know what you're going to see? You're going to see gains. Gains on gains on gains on gains. Let's take a look at some of the wins that we passed off in the last week alone. In the last week, I put a date out there just so I could cap the week from August 5th, 16th to the 23rd. 20% for Doc, 29% for Dash, 47% for One Harmony, booming to the upside. PNT, 43%, 108% gains for Solana. What a week it was for our Solana trading. Luna boomed up another 25%. We nailed it. No stop loss got hit. No stop loss got hit. Forest boomed up a beautiful 44%. No stop loss got hit. 39% gain so far for HNT, and that continued to the upside because I said so far, and that's why I said so far. Even my tiny bit of language has a reasoning for it. If I write the word so far, look at all the ones I didn't write that. If I write so far, it tells you it's highly likely to continue to the upside. Storage booming 28%, 67% gains on AVAX, SRM for 33%, XRP for 32%, nailed it. 33% gains on Doge in one night. Boom, on Doc, in one night. 42% on MTV, that was the first call. Boom to the upside. Oh no, that was our call, yeah. Rose popped for 21%, 29% for VRA, and continuing. Many other calls popped as well. Just didn't even have a chance to throw them down yet and go over them. We will continue to give you calls every single day. I like Near Protocol. Why? It's highly likely to do some serious damage. It's in this beautiful cup now and a bowl. So look at this. It forms the falling wedge at double bottoms off of the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute. Usually is its first sign of life when it begins to begin a massive move to the upside. Here is Near in a boom on a cup and handle. We could put it again back in a cup and handle and say you're still in a cuppy and a handy. And this is the channel of Sammy Cup and Handy. Welcome to the memoirs of Sammy Cup and Handy. The life and times of Sammy Cup and Handy. The man who lived and died by the cup and handle. Samuel P. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. So Near Protocol. Look for some more downside to fill out this wedge. Okay? No worries. Look for some more downside to fill out the wedge. Look for the touch of this support or this support. These two areas should hold likely as a play for a boom to the upside for Near Protocol. A lot of news coming out for Near. Don't miss this ride. Highly likely Near will make it back up to this high on the 15-minute and then begin to do some more things. Near Protocol. You heard it here first from the Crypto Lifer. Near Protocol. And I get channeled all the time. Again, the entry is not now. My Patrons will get video calls or exclusive updates of what's going to happen with Near Protocol sometime towards the end of the stream. And then, once I end the stream, I'll be sending Near Protocol on out to my lifers. So, guys, remember this, all right? So jump into the Patreon if you can't wait to make the call. This call is probably going to be the call that pays the Patreon right back, straight up. So jump on in. You will not miss out. You will absolutely love it. Near Protocol, 15% gains on the smaller time frame. Let's move forward into the 1 hour and see what can be done here. And this is what I'm saying now. Now on the 1 hour, we have a bigger flag. Let me show you what's going on. Also, this is where I pull my Fibonacci retracement levels. No reason why not to. Looks like we hit, I would say, the 0.5 from my recognition of fib levels. Right there. We went through the 0.5, got in between the 0.5 and the 618. Beautiful place for accumulation. It either gets all the way down between the 0.65 and the 0.618, which is the golden pocket, or it loves to get back into this area here after a big pump to the upside. So Near Protocol doing very good on the Fibonacci levels in between the 0.5 and the 618 fibs. Very, very happy for me. Also, lining up pretty close is the fibs on this line here. Look at the 382 directly hitting this line where we had price getting rejected. Once price breaks above the 382 Fibonacci level here at 575, say sayonara to Near Protocol. This thing will be gone on Binance. Near Protocol. A lot of news incoming for Near. Don't miss the cup and handy here on the 15-minute. It's going to fill out. And then I think it's going to launch. It has some momentum here. 4 hour also in its favor. 4 hours about to turn and do damage. Already starting to do some serious moves to the upside. Okay? Let me show you the bigger target, because everyone wants to see the bigger target, though. Where's the bigger target, dude? Dude, let me show you. Marky. Dude, my name's Marky Wildberg, all right? Baby. And he's like, baby, I'm going to go to the gym today, baby, and then I'm going to take care of it, all right? Like, don't worry about it, all right? Don't worry, baby. I got it. I just got to go to the gym, and I'll come home. I'm going to take care of it. You married Marky Wahlberg, baby. Don't worry about it. I'm going to make sure everything's fine. And then I always do wait. Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. Hey, Chris, get in your room before I put my foot up your ass. Hey, Meg, how come you're always looking so ugly, Meg? When are you going to actually look like a girl? Sorry, that's horrible. I should have said that, but that's what they do on the show. Hey, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hey, Sam, you got to be nice to everybody. Don't use my voice to be so rude. Damn it, Peter. And you can see the 4 hours already starting its move. It's already beginning to do its thing. If you get into the 4 hour and you let price play out, all will be well. All will be well. If we look at the daily, though, daily's a little cooked for this, which is interesting. But it could make a flag and still pump out. And the 4 hour could still, in my opinion, still play out. The daily does worry me there a little bit. But it might be so new that the daily really doesn't have... that does, I have to put that out there. Daily's a little high on Near. It's a little high on Near. Pumped up, daily turned on you. Actually, it looks like this. I'm going to be dead honest to you. I have to say, I think we're getting a turn up. I really do. Because of that fib level, telling me something is brewing here for Near Protocol. So I've never really had to do that before, but I'm going to make a call right there that's pretty insane. I'm going to use my other indicators to kind of see me through the light. 30% gain for Near, up to $7.34. Let's take a look at AMP for my man. Let's take a look at REC. We got to look at REC and Fire Protocol. So sorry. I just had calls in my head. Okay. Number one, I love what I'm seeing right here. This is absolutely beautiful. This is something I think you want to put 10K in and let it fly. And just let it fly. That's a cup and handle if I've ever seen one on the 4 hour. Is it not, my friends? Shout out to the super chat who asked me about rep. You're the man for this. Beautiful call. Calls fall on my lap. The crypto lifer, man, the calls fall into my lap. Beautifully done, beautifully positioned. Very, very nice. Tight moving averages. That's when I love to get into a trade. This is highly likely to get in. I would advise everybody here to get a bag of this and just let it do its thing. Just let it do its thing. Don't look at it for a couple days to a week. Just let it do its thing. Okay? Don't stress it. Don't freak out about it. Just let it play out. Okay? Just let it play out. All right? You see where I can get this if it's only on Coinbase or if it's in other places. SafeMoon has said nothing about auto-generating liquidity protocol. Get ready. SafeMoon wallet trending. 1 hour ago. Look, it's trending. SafeMoon wallet trending. See that? Oh, we are so ready. SafeMoon swap. Congrats on 1 million followers. I don't know, they haven't said anything. Latest SafeMoon exploit. Does anyone know anything about this? I don't know. SafeMoon unsafe. Epic meme hack. Not so SafeMoon. He's the only one talking about it. How do we know that it's even true? I'm just saying. I haven't done my due diligence. Look at this. This sounds like clickbait. Look at this. Zero credibility. Look at that. Spreading FUD, unsubscribe. FUD, look at this. FUD, unsubscribed. Fake news. Look at this. Super FUD, unsubscribed. Unsubbed. Look at this. SafeMoon, FUD, unsubscribed, ever right. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Just saying, man. I don't know. So I don't think there's anything going. I think that's. I would see more people on Twitter saying, "Hey, there was a hack." Every time there's a hack, every guy on Twitter, and then there's also people, and I talk to chats. People are emailing me. People are sending me screenshots. They're looking at the BSC scan, and it's all exploits. And so to make a video like that and talk about exploits when nothing happened, it's a bit weird, right? Anyway, we'll get to brass tacks. We'll figure it out. 80% gains coming out of REC. It's not done yet. It's not ready yet, per se. It could be. I'd like the 1 hour to be a little lower, but, anything is possible here. Could do a loop and just boom. I would just get a bag of this and let it rock. I would get a bag of this before it's too late. I think anything below 30 cents is a steal for this. Let it fly, baby. Let it fly and multiply. Let it fly and multiply, and don't say the Crypto Library sent you. This is not financial advice. Nothing I do here should be taken as financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before getting into any trade or project. I appreciate each and every one of you, though. You are awesome people. I love the Crypto Lifers. Love you guys. Let's take a look at what we want to see here. I wanted to see if I could get this anywhere else. REC, R-E-Q, Request Network. It's going to be big, 27 cents. Market cap's only $55 million. It's probably one of the smaller market caps you see on Coinbase. I mean, that's highly likely to play out. Already used to be very high, too, as well. All the way up here at 98 cents to a dollar. That's a 5X sitting at you. A 5X sitting at you right there. All you got to do is put in a little chunk of change and get it moving. A 5X for REC. About to do some serious damage. Where can you get it on Coinbase? You can also get it on Binance for USDT. That's amazing. So I love that. This is maybe going to be my next big move here. I'm going to be getting into this for about, I think, a nice chunk of change. Highly likely, about 7K for REC. We'll see what goes on for REC. All right. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right. The chart looks like refinables. Exactly refinable. Didn't grow so much yet. Only $12 million market cap. We'll take a look at refinable for you. Thank you so much for bringing it up the second time. Let's take a look at AMP soon. And now let's take a look at Fire Protocol. So thank you for giving us Request Network Everyone now wrote that down on their whiteboards. Everyone now knows what's going down. Request highly likely to break out. Booming to the upside. I'm going to put about 7K in this, no lie. Look you guys dead in the face, and I'll show my lifers the trades. I'm going to put about 7K in this. I'm going to have to do some work to get it over there. I have it in a MetaMask wallet. I'm going to have to swoop a swap a swoomy and do my thing. Looks like I could get it on Uniswap if I had to. The fees would probably be absolutely ridiculous. I would love to get it on Uniswap. I would love to get it on 1inch. I would love to start doing this accent, and I will right now. Sorry about that. Convincing my wife to become a crypto wifey tonight. We have goals. There's always an alert going off. I'm explaining to you guys how to use alerts so you can understand what's crack-a-lacking in the markets. What does that alert say? You never know. You never know. Really loving Cardano more than just on a trading level. Me too, man. Sadi Al-Quadi, BitTC up and up. Ha 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 ha. Laughing my ass off. Love your impressions, man. You guys think there's something on Hawthorne? Another smart contract project with a low market cap. I think Hawthorne's hot. We were looking at it at the very, very beginning when it first came out. I liked it. Let's take a look at my beast, Cardano, booming to the upside. My baby, my sweetness, my sweet cheeks, my lover of life, the gift of gold, Cardano. And guys, you all know who Ada Lovelace is, right? Shout out to all the smart, beautiful women in the world. We all came from a lady's womb. Women are the most precious things on earth. Shout out to all the ladies. Shout out to Ada Lovelace. Who was Ada Lovelace? Know your history. Ada, Augusta Ada King, the Courtess of Lovelace, December 18th, 1815. She was born December 10th. She was an English mathematician and writer, chiefly known for her work on Charles Babbage proposed mechanical general purpose computer, the analytical engine. She was the first to recognize that the machine had applications beyond pure calculation and to have published the first algorithm intended to be carried out by such a machine. As a result, she is often regarded as the first computer programmer in history in the 1800s. It gives me goosebumps. That is why we call Cardano Ada, after the famous Ada Lovelace. People like this make me get a little emotional and give me, I get goosebumps when I channel the energy of amazing people, because I would love to be thought as that amazing one day. What an amazing person to write a story about her and say, wow, her mind was that beautiful and that complex. She translated an article by an Italian military engineer on the calculating engine, supplementing it with an elaborate set of notes, simply called the notes. Lovelace notes are important in the early history of the computers, containing what many consider to be the first computer program. That is an algorithm designed to be carried out by a machine. Other historians reject this perspective and point out blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Anyway, they try to hate on it. But anyway, and then I don't want to read but anyway, Ada Lovelace, pretty interesting. Cardano, Ada, right? Got to be a connection there. I don't think that is a false pretext there. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 140 people watching, 135 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I'd greatly appreciate it. You get free trades. I show you the trades play out. I give you ideas that play. This is a 2-3 month hold that is highly likely to pay you off very nicely. England, whoop whoop. You must be a Pisces, I bet. I'm not a Pisces, I'm an Aries. That's an insult to an Aries. No, I'm saying 51K incoming. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let's take a look at BTC as we're booming to the upside. Did I call 50K? 50K is on the way, baby. 50K is on the way as we open the trade in the breakout. As Bitcoin moves, once it breaks this level, here we go to 50K. Here we go to 50K. Here we go to 50K. I have to do something absolutely insane if we hit 50K tonight. I predicted that we would hit 50K on the weekly candle close, on the full moon. I did predict this. It just felt like it was going to happen. All the stars had aligned. Literally, the stars have aligned. The moon has aligned. We've gone over this moon phase. If you're just getting into me and you don't know what's going on with the Crypto Lifer, check it out. We went over the moon phase. What is the moon phase here? The moon phase is the idea that crypto and Bitcoin specifically likes to pump up very, very big on a full moon night. Aries 2 here, March 24th. Aries here, baby leaders. Shout out to Bobby Fam. Shout out to BH Dole. Shout out to my Aries people. Shout out to all my Aries guys. Virgo perfection. Virgo is the richest sign in the world. The Virgo is the richest sign in the world. Crypto Lifer is a fire sign. I am Sam, an Aries. There you go. Ja Soleil, my friend. Check out Alpaca Finance. It's been doing quite well. Yes, it has. I agree. You're correct. May happen on this stream. Aquarius going with the flow. Handstand. That's my mom's B-Day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. 99. Hey, Lifer, what's the indicator name that shows the buyer's trades graph showing that they're getting in or selling? That is the VPVR. I think that's what you're asking, the VPVR. Let's take a look at the VPVR. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 141 people watching. I appreciate you guys for doing the right thing as Bitcoin begins to pump. 49,863. 49,863. We made another correct call on the channel. Everyone said Bitcoin was going down. Look at the channels. I'm telling you right now. Look at this. Go to crypto. Just go to regular channels out there. Just go to any random channel. I was predicting what was going to happen through my actual calls. Like an insane Bitcoin pump. Is there, right? But look. Did they delete it? Bitcoin top in the most, is the Bitcoin top in? And not even just, there was a lot of other channels just kind of like, this guy Crypto, the expert Crypto, this guy, I shouldn't do this. I love everyone on YouTube trying to find their way, and I know how hard it is, but to hurt people's feelings, he told us we were going to have a massive bear market and everything was going to go down. All he did was and break, it just was crazy. And look, he has not streamed in 3 weeks. He has disappeared. He had a lot of people following him, man. I just feel really strange about that. Be careful who you follow on cryptocurrency. I said, I don't know what's going to happen. I said, we could go to 15K. We could go to 60K. I said, anything is possible. I said, let's do the TA every single day until we get there. And let's figure it out together. And we did. 15-minute about to pop to the upside. That's a very good sign that cryptocurrency is booming. Bitcoin about to boom to the upside as well. Lovely, 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 lovely night. What a beautiful night to be alive as my entire portfolio booms to the upside. Everything you hold is booming. It's a beautiful night, guys. It's a beautiful night. Full moon cycles, Bitcoin pumping. Once Bitcoin kind of goes sideways, it's going to give away back to the altcoins. Going to see a huge pump to the upside as well for a lot of the altcoins. Man, am I very happy I went into Bitcoin at 32,400. Unbelievable trade. Also, Matic down in the lows. Matic booming to the upside. Phantom boomed up. Everything we bought in the bear market, really, in the quote-unquote bear market correction. It was just a good time to get some more coins, to load up even more, to get more loaded when we went back to the top again. Booming, booming, booming. Phantom, Matic at 164. Beautiful, beautiful trades. Very, very excited for what's going to happen in the next few weeks ahead for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, guys. Let's take a look at Fire Protocol, my man. Very small market cap. He said it was on Dex Tools, too. He gave me exactly where to find it. That's very nice of you. Keep the show moving very fast. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. What are we talking about? It's like, oh. And, it's like, oh. Short-term memory loss. No. College, why'd you do this to me? All right, and Fire Protocol. I got you. I didn't even have to look. I got it. Fire. I remember looking at this back in the day when it first came out. We took a look at this coin when it first came out. We used to go over a lot of these microcap gems on Uniswap. Before Binance Smart Chain was big, we were going over a lot of stuff here. I remember when it had its pop, had its day. We were looking at it. It's down at the very bottoms of the bottoms. Could it moon to the upside? Let's take a look at the smaller time frames. Making a bit of a cup and handle. Do I suggest my lifers to get into this? No. Would I get into this? I don't know. I would put a few $100 and walk away, never think about it again, and literally just have to come back and look and like spy on it and see if it ever went up or down or not, and just take a gander. You know what I'm saying? Take a little bit of a gander. It is making a cup and handle by all technical analysis standards. It also has a rejection point here. Resistance. It's coming back down and bouncing off that. It's also in a bit of a shoulder, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. Highly likely to break out here. And we know that also makes a bit of a ascending triangle. So when we look at this, yes, I mean, the TA suggests it's going to move up and it's hit a bottom and it's going to keep continuing. But anything is possible. I went over it for you. You can take a look at that. Thank you so much for the Chupa Chat. I appreciate it. It does say it's going to get up here somewhere back to this high at least before it has its next pullback, though. So might have a little trouble right here as well. Check your call on Honey. It's booming. Let's take a look at Honey. Pancake Honey. Guys, I gave you Pancake Honey. Really sad that no one watched my Pancake Honey video like the cake video. It didn't take off. I'm one of the few people that made a Pancake Honey video. How many people make a Pancake Honey video? Small cap gem, Pancake Honey. Do I even come up? Yeah, I do come up though. And look, how many, I guess there's just not a lot of views, even the highest views. One pops though, I'm telling you right now. Pancake Honey, how to claim your rewards. See, these guys know what's up. These guys know what's up. They knew what's up. And there's my Pancake Honey booming to the upside. I gave you the call on June 30th. Damn near coming up on about 2 months ago from now. And you got to be quick. You got to be swift. And you got to know what's going down. And I do so much research in the market. And I throw these videos out there. These videos are, I try to do the best thing I can do to get you guys moving. To get you guys into these calls. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Huge Bitcoin pump to the upside. Booming, booming, booming. And honestly, I made my thumbnail before Bitcoin started pumping. Let's make that very clear. And I didn't make my thumbnail and get into a pump. Like a lot of people probably started live streaming when Bitcoin pumped. Oh, it's pumping. I'm going to live stream now. I live stream for the weekly candle close every single Sunday night. I actually licked the weekly candle close. I didn't get to kiss and lick it yet. We're going to get into that in a second. It's a weird, freaky thing that we do. If you don't like it, I'm so sorry. So I misspoke. We do. I do. Because I don't want to put it all on my strangeness on the crypto livers, right? We'll take a look at the Bitcoin weekly candle close too, but highly likely to boom out. We even gave you a live trade here that's playing out since the beginning of the trade. The call was to get in here. Bitcoin at 49,174, and Bitcoin has popped up already, doing damage at 49,850. Candles booming for BTC. Okay. All is well in Candyland. All right. All is well in Candyland. Let's take a look at AMP for my man, Crypto Greg. It takes so long to get to the Crypto Greg Super Chat lately. BTC just $50 shy of 50K. I remember watching him buy Honey live, and I was like, nah. Brittany Saposa, I was worried about the pecan honey inflation, so I didn't go in. 50K handstand, bro. I learn every time I watch you, and I took the honey call. Thank you. Keep it up, brother. Show us the way. Shout out to David Coins. Appreciate you on the math, man. Thank you so much for the digits. The $10 Canadian. Thank you so much for the digits. Appreciate you, man. You're a boss among men. Thank you very much. Honey is at $1.07, booming to the upside. Why? Everyone wants to get into the TVL. TVL at 4,000 too. This TVL is going up. They raised it. They raised this TVL. It was 30,000 when we started. It's at 4,000% now. Time to boost honey. They're boosting the honey pools. You're gonna you can compake cake automatically and get 157%, 159%. I mean, where else can you automatically compound your cake? This is the old pancake bunny, baby. This is the hot spot. I got 11K working here, doing what I gotta do to survive, baby. Doing what I gotta do to survive. Someone asked, how do you get in and out? It's simple. I already claimed today. I don't want to claim right now. But what you do is you would claim this. You would actually hit, you would hit claim. It would claim it. You don't hit withdrawal. That's when you go out all the way. Then that will go back to your wallet. Then you go to the pool that I like to reestablish and re-put in all my claims, right? So like I established this pool that fed this pool that then I cracked in half and made this pool with. See? So I started with this pool. It made me $1,000 in honey in the last month. I then moved that to over here and moved into the BNB honey pool, right? I'll eventually get out of that too with the fees from the LP and the 4,000% booming. Every day I can crack this out, make another LP token with it. That's how you do it, okay? And then keep reestablishing the LP. Nano is the perfect crypto. Shout out to Sergio Makanu, my dude, one of the first crypto livers that ever came onto the show. My dude, Sergio, thank you so much for coming on in. AVAX, booming, hands down, best crypto channel on the web. Lifer deserves way more subs. Share. Shout out to Crypting. Thank you so much. I believe we will get there one day. Ben Kui moving as well. Let's take a look at the Chi call. As I thought Chi was going to move, I woke up this morning. First thing I did was give a call for Chi. Bitcoin sitting at 49,850. Just sitting pretty. 15-minute actually has legs. So actually, Bitcoin will hit 50K. Mark my words right now. Bitcoin's going to break this high and go to 50K in the next 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's highly likely that we're going to see 50K in the next 5 to 10 minutes for bitty Bitcoin. Doing damage. I do a live show on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency every single day. If you're just coming in, I do a live show every single day on cryptocurrency. I go over Bitcoin, total 2, and Bitcoin dominance. These are things you need to know if you don't know about how to trade the markets of cryptocurrency. I show you the scope of the markets, the span of the markets. We look at micro-cap gems, big caps, low caps, everything you name it. We're into Matic, a big cap. We're into Phantom, becoming a big cap, into the $1 billion market range. We're getting into projects in the $10 million range, $2 million range. We're getting into a project when nobody even knows about it, just jumping on in and seeing how it goes. We are we are pioneers of the space. Pulse Doge, look, shoulder, head and shoulder. Could have a little more downside back to this area here. Funny, I sold my Pulse Doge. I'll tell you when I sold. Look, here's the time period on this. August 20th at about, what? Doesn't give, 2 a.m. Yeah, 1:22. Right, 12 at night. 12, this is 1 a.m. No, this has to be like 12 and... Yeah, where we're at now, we're at 21, which is from the 12 is 8. Yeah, so that's right. Back to this, back to that. I woke up this morning, I sold my Pulse Doge. I said, I'm selling this, man. And you know what? It's eating up every pump. I think it might eat up this pump again. Just something to think about here. But it does have a shoulder, head, and shoulder. Will it drop a little more? That would have a big target, actually. It would be the target of the entire head. Does have major bullish divergence, bearish divergence. I can tell it's there without even looking at it. Watch. I know divergence before it happens. Hit my indicator, go to the RSI. And look, there's my bearish divergence right there. Stuff is child's play, man. Highly likely to break to the downside, and there you have it. And you broke to the downside. It's another reason why you should get out of the trade. Even little coins played by the rules. Respect the TA no matter what you're doing. Check the USDT dumb, man. Approaching the huge 4-hour bull div support line on the RSI. The dominance. Think we'll get shaken out here as Bitcoin goes to 49,898 on the way to 50K. Doing damage.
That's a lot of damage.
It is, man. It is.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
I do, Peter. Lifer, how do you get the 2-bar on the left on the KuCOIN? It just always comes. I don't know. It's always there. I've never tried to put it up. 1 nano will be $1,000 in 5 years. Might be way more than that, my friend. Have you claimed your Terra Luna airdrops yet? No, I've not. Let us know how to do that. AVAX booming. Dang, AVAX. Another booming up to the upside. You know what? AVAX and Chi are going to move together. Chi, they're going to boom together. So the call for Chi now at 24. We got into Chi last night at about 14, and Chi continues to the upside. I woke up to this morning, and I put a call out immediately. Immediately put a call out for Chi to boom to the upside. Hit my stop loss out of this, punked on out, but then it formed this giant flag. Look at this, or both. You could even say it formed like a cup and handle. So I would have gotten stopped out of that call, chintzy stop loss. But the original call boom, I didn't track it. Had I tracked it, I would have made this bull pennant. Or maybe I did. No, I didn't. I just moved that to the side. But then it still hit my target. The trade still kind of looked exactly the way it was supposed to play out. I was preemptive about the position there. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to track this. I was beginning the live stream. Had I tracked this, highly likely I would have given this call, but I did not get a chance. So we still made a boom. Oh, wait. Hold up. Hold up. Here was the original call, though, which still has legs to the upside, 82%. So it's actually about to hit my target on the original call to get in here and ride all the way up, 82% gain. So that's insane. Let me show you the call just so you don't think I'm a BSer. It better be in there too now. Now I'm going to like, oh gosh, now I'm freaking out. The one time I made a mistake or something. My life is on the line right now. My whole life is on the line. 24%. Where do I give an 80% call? I had to have done it. Right there. Oh no, that's LRC. She's coming up. There it is right there. I gave you the call. Had you taken this call, you'd be up so big. The Patreon pays for itself in a day, man. I can't stop. I can't. I gave you the call right here. Look, on August 21st. It's written in stone at 11:23 p.m. It is less than 24 hours. You'll be up more than almost damn near 80% gains for Chi. This is how you make life-changing wealth in a night or a day. 78% gains for Chi. Boom, boom, boom. I want you in my room. This is so insane. I remember that song. Boom with a double O. 78% gains. Wow. In less than 24 hours. Join the Patreon. It pays for itself. The hardest working man in show business. I will stay on the charts for you guys all night long, all day long. I'll wake up at 6 a.m. I'll wake up at 2 a.m. I'll go to bed at 3 a.m. I'll do whatever it takes to make sure you're in the trade that matters. I will work as hard as I can to keep you educated. I will find a way to get you paid. Stay with the Crypto Lifer. Again, none of this is financial advice on my YouTube channel. Please do your own diligence before getting into any trade. I am not a financial advisor. Okay? I am not a financial advisor. Chi. Boom. 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 We did it again, folks. We did it again. Can we do it again tonight? Can we find the trade tonight? We found this trade last night. Can we find the trade tonight that pays off? I live streamed an extra long time last night, and boom, man. If I was in this, I would definitely take some profits on it, or just let it ride at this point. You got into a great project on the low. It just started, came out of nowhere at 5 cents. This thing did a 5x, literally in 3 days. Coins are 5xing in 3 days. That's the name. You see the name of the live stream tonight. Coins are 5xing. All coins are 10xing, 5xing, exploding. KuCOIN gems. Learn your TA. I'm telling you right now, if you're not in my Patreon, you are missing out on major gains every single day. Like, the list goes on. I get to add this to the list again now. And that's why you think, oh, it's improbable he made this many calls in a week. It's not. This is all I do. I don't do anything else. I do this and then I spend time with my wife and kid when they beg me to. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like when a bull market's on, I got to make sure to take some time away for me and my family, but it's not easy. When new people are jumping in the group every single day, and I have so many people that need attention and help. Thank you for everyone that's jumping on into the new tutoring classes. Appreciate each and every one of you. Everyone that's signing up for tutoring, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for doing that, supporting my life, supporting your life. It is a great investment to get into tutoring. One-on-ones are $200 an hour. They used to be $100. I had to raise them because I got so many people signing up. It got to the point where I was unable to do other things for the channel. I'm hoping this will thin out the herd a little bit. But what I did do, I said, I know there's people that still can't afford $200 an hour. I think that's expensive. I know it is. I know there's people out there with a lot of money and they don't mind paying $200 an hour. So that's why it's out there too for those people that do not mind paying for expertise to help. And honestly, the $200 it's still chump change compared to what you're going to learn and how long you can take. You're going to take what you learn from me for the rest of your life. It's not like you buy a shirt for $200 and then you have the shirt until it gets old, you get rid of it. That's actually not that bad. It might even last 5 years, but it's even better than that. It's something that you get to take for the rest of your life and bring with you for the rest of your life. All right. Let's take a look at AMP looking juicy. Bitcoin hovering at 49,888. Just seemed can't to get to 50K. Just seemed to can't to do it, but can't you just kind of get on up? Bitcoin. We are getting high on the 15-minute. It's going to happen. We are getting overbought on the 1 hour. It's going to happen. We might have to flag out here. Look for Bitcoin to find a flag. Go to the 5-minute. Sometimes the 5-minute is your answer to this question. Many times it is. You'd be surprised. And I don't mean trade on the little time frames. I mean, but use smaller time frames to zoom in like a microscope to start seeing what's going on with the price action. And so far, we're starting to flag. So far, so good. If we can continue this flag on the 5-minute, and this can continue to do its thing, all right, we'll shrink this down and we'll watch the 5-minute now. 5-minute will be our guiding light. We don't really have to be on any other time frame for now. If this makes a beautiful flag, all will be well. Look at Bitcoin. It made the inverted head and shoulder as well on the 5-minute. You cannot go against the TA. Respect the TA. Inverted head and shoulder played out on BTC. This is what we do every single day here on the live stream. We show you how to find patterns. We show you how patterns make money. We use the cup and handle, broadening wedge, you name it, falling wedge. It doesn't matter. We're into the chart. We're into it. We project patterns before they happen. This might make this. This might make a falling wedge and get rejected and come all the way down. Either way, look, every time price pumps, it's going to have to come back to the 21-day moving average. Boom. Right now, 5 minutes already low. We could even go down here and I could put a little alert here on the 5-minute. Walk away, go make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, come back and see what's cracking in about 20 to 30 minutes. What happened? Are you going to fill it this way? Or are you going to fill it that way? Price can do one of three things. It can go back down on a wedge and hit resistance, or it can pump out the pattern, or it can make a sideways action. Now, will it pump out the pattern? Look, we're high in the stochastics. Dump. High in the stochastics. Kind of went sideways and dump, you know. There it kind of kept moving a little bit there. So there it kind of kept moving. So it can't keep moving when it's high on the stochastics. It can, right? But it's less probable. See right there, it dropped. Right here, it dropped. Right there, it dropped. So of these 4 times, only 1 time, 5 times, only 1 time out of 5 did it keep moving. So it's more highly likely in the exchange that you're not going to get a continuation of this pump at this moment because you're high in the stochastics. So it's going to tell me that Bitcoin's going to go sideways or down right now. We're not going to see 50K in the next few minutes. It's going to take a couple hours to see 50K if we see it at all. All right. This could be the top, and this could be the end of the bull run, and this could be the top. I'm not saying it isn't, but I'm just saying. That's why I always say take profits no matter what's going on in the market. Take yourself some profits, my friends. Take yourself some profits. Get yourself paid. I got into Phantom earlier today. It's already up 2.6%. I'm up $93 on the Phantom call. Here's my call right now for Phantom, up $93. I put 3,600. I gave the lifers the call, and I told my lifers I was getting into Phantom. I said, lifers, I'm getting into Phantom. If you were a Patreon, you saw exactly what I was going to do. I told you. I told the 99 room. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. A lot of people said I'm going to jump on in you. Altcoin. Let's take a look at the Altcoin call. Altcoin, another beautiful coin. It's going to do some serious damage pumping to the upside. Here is the beautiful call for Altcoin. Right there to get in right here as it began to break out. I put in a little bit of a cup and a handle too. Boom. No stop loss got hit. Perfect trade. Boom to the upside. I have a target of 61%. Boom. We nailed Altcoin. Another trophy I get to add to the game. Another coin that I gave a beautiful call on that boomed up without getting touched. Altcoin booming to the upside. 48% gains for Altcoin. 46% gains for Altcoin. Boom. Boom. I can't make this up. It seems dreamlike. It seems kind of fantastical. It seems a little weird. Look, I even had this in a cup and handle. That's how I knew it was going to boom. I'm the cup and handle man, dude. They call me Sammy Cup and Handy. Because I get it done with the cup and handle, man. I get it done. I'll get you done with the cup and handle. Keep it moving when I switch the handle. You want to do an handle. They're gonna call me a vandal with a rental and a hand with a stop, with a can't, with a beat, and I rap with a track, with a rack to the feet, hit it moving on the stop, can't move on a beat. I'm in Times Square, man, with my man on fire, with a hand on fire like fire protocol. Hit a bit of man, cause we gonna ball. Never gonna stop now, never gonna rock now. Keep it, keep it. I keep it speed ripping on the, I used to rap, I've been rapping for years, but every time I rap, people bug out, leave the channel, so I stopped rapping for a long time. But I'm actually pretty damn good at it. If you actually heard a rap, you probably freak out, but I won't do it. My wife promised me to never rap again on the stream. People just want gains. That's all they want, baby. They want them gains. This Phantom just pumped from, look at this. It was just 93. Now I'm up to 131. That's how fast your life can change in cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at Phantom pumping to the upside as well. My Phantom call. It was just so scrumptiously good. It looked like it was going to do some damn damage. So there it is. And it's just getting started. I mean, there's movement on this Phantom. And once Phantom breaks this high here at 50, dude, can you believe I'm saying this? Remember when I was telling everyone to dollar cost average into Phantom? I said I'm going to try to get as much Phantom as I can below 30 cents in this dump. And I just kept buying it and buying it. I bought Phantom at 17 cents. Let's see if I caught the bottom. The bottom for Phantom was 15 cents. I mean, I could say I caught dang near close. I have a 17-cent buy for Phantom. It's not a huge buy, but I dollar cost average into Phantom. Look, I DCA'd into it. And I wanted to teach you guys. This is why I keep the records for it. I put 350 in on 7/26 at 5 p.m. That made 560, 160% gains. Are you kidding me? I put 150 in on 7/23. That made, and look, no stop loss on any of these because I was willing to hold this for 2 to 3 years. See what I'm saying? So sometimes a DCA is a better suggestion for a newbie. Look how big I am, and I didn't have to do anything but buy and sit back and relax. Now the buy was highly predicated on the idea that Bitcoin had bottomed, and I did a lot of research, and I knew Fibonacci, I knew my bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence. I looked at the weekly time frame. I knew about all my different time frames. There was a major reason why I was able to do this. I was looking, I'm highly trained at technical analysis, but I'm just saying. Right, so we bought the bottom here on Matic, not the bottom, 107. I have some other buys on Mount, and there's my other Phantom buy there at 25. The 2500's up at $3,000, up 124%. You can't beat this. You can't beat this. I now have bags of Phantom ready to rock. I'm super excited for it, and I can't wait to see what happens. I hope I plan on my bags of Phantom turning into close to $1 million. That's where I have it at. I learn every time I watch you as another call. Nano, man, I think Rec was on KuCOIN. Is Rec also on KuCOIN? That would be kind of cool. There it is. Yeah, you're right. But it's only the... Oh, no. Is it... I don't think it has a USDT pair on KuCOIN. That's the only problem. It might, though. Look. Yeah, it does. Wow, it's on KuCOIN. Yo, this thing is about to blow. I'm telling y'all right now, this is what you need. This is what you need. I'm going to sell some BUSD for some USDC. This is going to be my baby, man. This is going to be my baby. Nano on fire. I know, my Nano, baby. It went up today. It's going to be the Monday dump. It's probably, ACH about to break. Nano is the ultimate currency exchange coin. 0 fees, instant transactions. I love Nano. This guy, Zergun, came on my show. This guy here, right here. He came on my show like 6-7 months ago. And I said, Nano. He said, get a wallet. I made a wallet. He gave me Nano for free. Guys, I really like this call here for WAC. I really do, man. I really, really do. Make sure I gave it out to the Patrons. Make sure I didn't forget. In case someone doesn't get a chance to watch the live. I did not. Let me go back to it. It's on Binance, KuCOIN. It's got the legs, man, because it's got the liquidity from all the exchanges that matter. Did I look at it on the Coinbase pair? All right. This, my friends, is ready to rock and roll. Another call on the channel that you may not want to miss. Let's take a look at Matic. Matic looks highly likely to continue to do some serious damage.
No, that's a lot of damage.
Let's take a look at Matic. Wow. So we gave a call out for Matic already. Do you open the call? I already like it. Highly likely to play out too. Could be a bigger target there. I see Matic going up 8%. Kind of a scalp. It's kind of, but it's starting to move. Telling you right now, you're going to see a $5 Matic before you know it. You're going to be like, whoa, how did that happen? Jumping into Rec. Rec was on Coinbase. Rec was already up. Near as well. Good calls as always. ADX crossover on the 1 hour. Request is on KuCOIN. SKL. Rec now. Can you take a look at Troy, please? Q equals 24. Chi equals 24. QI. Is it QI or is it Chi? I think it's Chi, but you never know. Your Red Facts call might be taking off right now. Shout out to Scott Lee. Appreciate you. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. How profitable are you during the bear market? Extremely. That's when we were trading. Extremely. We actually were the most profitable. Remember, guys, we nailed it. Go back. Go watch my live streams in the bear market. It's live right now. Let's go back to, let's go back to the live streams in the bear market, in a quote-unquote bear market. It was pretty bearish. And honestly, how profitable are you in a bear market? I'm damn near profitable because that's how I made all the gains in the bull market. I buy in the bear market. Aha. Interesting. 2 months ago. Technically a bear market, right? 2 months ago, we're streaming. No, that's not 2 months ago. Why do they lie like that? On June 3rd? Okay, it was, June 3rd. Bear market, May 27th. A bit of a bear market, no? We were still hitting ADA BTC calls. We were still killing it, man. We really were. Rarible pumped. People still coming in. Look at all the super chats coming in too, man. It was crazy. Anyway, watch the live streams. Go check a few from back in the day. You see we were very profitable even in the bear market. We shorted Bitcoin as much as we had to. You mentioned BRC today. Strategy on this. I'm just going to keep buying it. That's it. That's my strategy. There's really no other strategy. I'm just going to keep buying it. This is a bull market now. Things are getting kind of crazy. Things change now. Now you accumulate what you want. You let it ride. You stop hiding. You stop worrying. You let it rock. See Greg, no stuff. Let's take a look at AMP. This was looking really good. Matic pumping to the upside. AMP is looking very spicy. I got a call out for AMP right there. We already got into AMP somewhere in this area here, and we have raised our stop loss to break even at this point, right? I see AMP doing serious damage back to the all-time high. Look at this. I have a huge call out for it. 80% gains for AMP. 80% gains for AMP. About to do some serious damage. Let's take a look at what it's looking on the 1 hour on a, let's zoom in here. Let's zoom in. I haven't zoomed in yet tonight. There you go. A nice little zoom in. Beautiful bull pennant forming for AMP. Looking very, very nice. Highly likely to play up to the upside as well. Really liking the bull pennant for AMP. One hour target. Now they could try to grab the liquidity down here. I've seen them do it. They've been doing it to me a few times. They stop me out of one out of like every couple of trades. One out of every 5-6 trades gets stopped out. You might want to go low down here. Really low at 4%. What can you gain? 7. It's a tiny scalp though on the 1 hour. On that small time frame, not the best trade, but looks like it's a position that you can start building. Tight moving averages. That's when I start getting into a trade. Tight moving averages. And again, they might try to stop you. It might try to do their thing. So these are the days where what you want to do. And there is a cup and handle there too as well. Let's form that cup, shall we? And, look what it did. All it did was what it should do. Look at this. It broke out of an inverted head and shoulder. Neckline to the head was your target. We swing that on up, and there is your move to the upside, right? Insane, right? And then the wick just decided to go all the way to town with it. Let's go to the 15-minute for a better look at what's happening. Look at that, dude. Higher lows and lower highs, each time wedging itself up. Looks like it's about to start breaking out as we speak, in my mind. I mean, that's a breakout. We tend to be at the right place at the right time. I don't know how. Sometimes we happen to just pop on a coin and it starts to move. On the Lifer Show, we go over so many coins that all the cool things get to happen to us. We get to see pumps live many times here on the show. We've seen many pumps live on the show. I have 100x live on the show. We've done a bunch of crazy things on this show. It's been an absurd ride. If anyone's been a crypto lifer, they know. We sat through when everyone said we were going to go down to 24K. I laughed in their face and called a bottom. We continued to buy Bitcoin and we ripped it to the upside. We are now sitting pretty with big positions on the low. Almost every crypto lifer, even guys, I know a guy that got on the market a few months back when it first came in. He said, man, with your skills and your knowledge, I was able to buy Matic at 66, put in a call for ETH at 1900. You know what I'm saying? He's like, without you, I never would have done that. He said, thank you so much for your teachings. I said, thank you so much for being a lifer, man. Guys, I could pass away tomorrow and not have the ability to teach you guys. There's no guarantee that I'll be able to do this tomorrow. I know today I could do what I need to do to save you, help you. If someone's struggling, show you the way. AVAX just continuing to move with that news with Key. And AVAX and Chi just moving. Everyone getting hyped now for the new chain. Decentralization is taking over. I tell you what right now, with Binance becoming KYC, don't you think it's a reason why the DEXs are starting to pump? Don't you see a connection? Something's going to start brewing. Elio Trades brought it up as well. It's not his own concept. It's just an obvious thought. When they shut down and make the Binance, the biggest, best exchange in the world, harder for everyone to play with, they're going to run to the DEX. They're going to learn how to get a MetaMask wallet. They're going to learn how to use limit orders on Bog Finance and Dex Guru and all these other cool places, and they're going to get down. They're going to get down. AVAX target right up there at 57 if you want to wait to take some profits. It is getting high on that 15-minute, though. It probably will kind of flag out here at this point. Getting overbought as well in the 1 hour. If your 4 hour has room, just let that 4 hour do what it does, man. If you got in down here, let the 4 hour do what it does and forget about it. AVAX booming up. Even bigger target here on the 4 hour. It gets this whole length. So here's where AVAX is going not too long from now. Avalanche doing damage back to its all-time high. Back at 85. Let's see where it could go on the daily now. It's about to break to its all-time high, which is beautiful. AVAX at 59. All-time high at 60. AVAX will crack that all-time high. Cardano leading the way. Cardano leading the way. This one never made a handle. It just flew to the upside. Absolute insanity. It made a tiny handle right there and never really looked back. never look back. Ever since August 4th, this thing has been on an absolute tear from 31. We've been playing it on and off, back and forth. Rose looks kind of nice. Let's take a look. She popped. Rose popped for a nice 21% gains. This is what it was. This is what happened. And Rose pump. Nice little call for Rose. Rose's Oasis network, if I'm not mistaken, right? Oasis. I called it Roser. I just wanted to put that. Wanted to fix that. That was kind of bothered me a bit. It bothered me a bit there. I like this vibe right here. If anyone likes this vibe, put a 33 up in the comment section below. If you like the vibe, baby. If you like the vibe. Yo, bro, have a look at ADAX on X Market and let us know your thoughts, please. Serial from Livers99. No, I really like ADAX. We love it. I think it's hot. I think it's a very smart play. I want to get some. Let's take a look at X Markets. I did log into X Markets at one point. I bought something BitBoy suggested for some silly when his channel really first came out. I was like, oh, maybe he does know something, you know. Last time I ever did that. Not to even hate on him, that's the last time I ever did that. It didn't go well for me. I bought X Markets. I bought their coin, the X Markets coin. You see what I'm saying? Maybe it will go well, actually. I still have it, so you never know. Wow, it's pumping hard, man. I was supposed to get it yesterday. I'm so upset with myself right now. I'm sleeping on this thing. I keep knowing what's about to happen, and it stinks when you know damn near almost... People give me so much information every single day. It's like an overload, but that's a beautiful... Damn. You can see that's a beautiful bull pennant, and it broke to the upside and hit the target. And I wanted to get in this last night at 63. I'll already be up huge at 93. It's going to be the first DEX for Cardano. This thing is flying. People know where to get it. I'm telling you. People will find their way to these tiny little coins. I can't even believe it. What is the market cap of this thing? This thing's going to have to be huge one day. Like, it'd have to be like a $50 coin faster than you realize. ADAX, man. The exchange, the ADAX exchange for Cardano, man. It's going to be huge. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be huge. Absolutely huge. Market's starting to heat back up again. It's starting to become insane. ACA just paid for my Patreon, 4X. Shout out to Crypto Greg. See what I'm saying? Just paid for the Patreon, 4X, baby. Hey, Liver, please check Parsec. Thank you. Shout out to Little Smitty for the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Little Smitty. Yeah, ACH printing me money. Cardano Exchange. Let's take a look at ACH, my friends. Another call given here on the live stream. Alchemy Pay, baby. Alchemy Pay. It's always Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay, Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay. Booming. Look at that. Starting to break on out right now as we speak. This thing's about to do some serious damage. Look at Alchemy Pay. About to rise to the upside. Go, Alchemy, go, baby. Go, Alchemy, go. It's starting parabolic runs. You can see this. I would start taking some profits in these I'm feeling euphoria, and when I feel that way, it feels like the last run a little bit. It's got me a little weary of the market. It's starting to tell me, you know what? Take some profits. Take some money off the table. You know? Or are we starting something hyper parabolic that is just like I can't even understand, and it's going to go into some insane, and I'm still slightly in the denial phase. But as greed gets very high, up to 79 on the Fear and Greed Index, selling the greed around here is always a good time. Buying in here is always a good time. A lot of people that got into Bitcoin here at 30K are up almost damn near 100% gains. When you make 100% gains on Bitcoin, a lot of other coins went up huge in the market, and we can only imagine. So, are people taking profits when they should be? Let's take a look at Nano, exploding to the upside. I gave you the call for Nano right here to open the call. It popped up 26% and hit the target right there. It's already really been a done call for me since it hit my target. But making another bit of a U, wants to come back up. So what is Nano doing? It's about to crack this high, and it's it's starting like, it's kind of starting the parabola here. Like, it's getting very crazy. Nano wants to really do some serious damage and go to some heights. That's what it's telling me. It's telling me it wants to really, really get down and explode here. 33, word to Patrick. Same, I was turned off by that exchange, and it's up 50%. Can't catch them all. Yeah, I guess. Mr. Smurf, about to pop. But I knew, and I made a whole point of, like, you know. Yeah, zoom out. Oh, yeah, my bad. My bad. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't want to FOMO into 8X at this point. Hoping for a pullback reset. I don't know. I would just... You don't get it, man. This is a bull run. I start DCAing into things. 400 here, 200 here. That way you buy some here, you buy some there. You never know. JV Supreme, Crypto Market Cap, has all the exchanges to buy it. Google your best friend, right? Can anyone tell me where the Cardano DEX is called and where to get it, please? 8X. Get it on X Markets. Yeah, ACH. Shout out to Produce the Beats. ACH paid for my Patreon 4X. Love seeing that. I love reading that. Shout out to all the awesome super chats. Shout out to all the love. Thank you for bringing that back up. Marin C. Appreciate you so much. Marin C. JV, could you have told me in the time you took to type that? But yes, I guess I'll check it. Look it up. Hi, would you be having an affiliate link for X Markets DEX Exchange? Thanks, Sam. I will go check it out. I don't know. Lifer, are you personally in Akash? No, but I really like it, and I wish I did. Thank you for putting it on my radar. The Akash Network. Haven't looked at it recently, but it's probably up absolutely huge. Probably up insanely big. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'alls. Not bad, not bad, not a bad day. Not a bad day at all. Cake stalling out. Let me give you a call for Cake. Cake looks like it's ready for the next leg up. Thinking about Cake. Haven't thought about Cake in a second independently. We used to track Cake all the time. There's just so many coins now. So many coins. Is C98 ready for another leg to the upside? We'll take a look at that as well. You never know. You never know. You never know. Nano looks like it's going for the moon though. I'll tell you right now. Nano going for it. Look for a pullback on the 1 hour if the 1 hour is getting high. Actually, 1 hour is coming back down. Look for a bit of a pullback, mate. Look for a bit of a pullback, eh? Somewhere around E. Somewhere around E in it. Somewhere around here in it. And I can see it going all the way up here. Nanocology, baby. Target, 31% gains. 31% gains for Nano. Gins, isn't that funny? 31% gins. Where is the stop? Where's the stop lossy? Right about they. Is that good? Nope, that don't do it for me. That don't do it. It's got to be somewhere back in the pattern there at 5%. It's going to have to be. Risk-reward ratio is going to have to work like that. Nano. Look for a pullback to this area. What I try to do is represent that in the chat, like something like that. Look for a pullback to the trend line if it has to. At the very least. At the very most, hopefully. No more than that. That'll also kind of coincide with his previous support and resistance line. And then Nano. Boom into the target. 60%. Does it have more legs to go? Let's take a look at what's going on in the 4 hour. You know what? The 4 hour could get kind of crazy. We could give it this length of this pole here. Whoa, hold up. LRC just did this. It just took the whole length of the absolute pole. Like, and actually, look at this. We didn't really, I mean, that's a cup and handle for Nano. So look at, I backtest the theory, get back to my roots. You know there's a cup and handy, Sammy. Stop playing games with yourself, buddy. Get yourself intact and intract. Get yourself intract. So there you go. Nano wants Mas. Nano Mas. You know, Uno Mas, Nano Mas, right? Uno Mas, Nano Mas. That's hilarious, right? Nano Mas. And look, it's starting to pump as we speak right here at 7:54. The whales are watching me. The whales are watching me. Shout out to my crypto whales, man. Appreciate each and every one of you. And then near starts to pop. I just talked about it. Just talked about it. Watch it do its thing. It's going to have to play out, though. I'm going to have to call when to get into near. Okay. Slowing it down. Let's take a look at total 2. See what's happened in the entire market cap. All right. Looks like things are going to slow down for the night. The pump was real, though. We were there for the entire, all of it. About to pop the dot. Stake the hex. Stake that hex. Shout out to Jasolay, Solana. Inverse head and shoulder on Solana. 1 hour. We'll take a look at that, Mr. Smurfington. ACH, next stop. Parabolic. Lifer, have you heard about upcoming Richard Hart project called Pulse Chain? It's supposed to be the great Ethereum. His other project, Hex, did extremely well. Yes, I sacrificed $1,500 into Pulse. I did. I didn't fill out the form. Does everyone know if you have to fill out the form? I thought the form was just if you had to do a write-off, if you want to do a tax write-off, because they donated most of the money. I didn't fill out the form, though. Does that mean I'm not going to get my Hex? Or whatever I'm supposed to get? I don't know. Someone let me know. I'd love to know. Have you looked at GRT, ADA, ADAX, Sunday Swap, Charlie 3? There are others. Would be possible to have off per month. Someone with crypto already locked up and not enough spare income right now. I really wish to be able to afford your Patreon for a lifetime. I can't do it because it's unfair to the paying customers. Very nice. Everything's got to be fair, man. Very nice. So next stop, to the moon. You don't have to fill out the form. You didn't have to fill out the form. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, I sacrificed the Pulse Chain. Thank you, Larry Parmalee. I love saying that name, Larry Parmalee. I want to go golfing, me and Larry Parmalee. Price and Parmalee for 2. Check it out. Hey, Lifer, please check Parsec. Thank you. We'll take a look at Parsec right away. Thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you so much for the love. Strategy for Burency is to just continue to buy it. Isn't that crazy? Just continue to buy it. Flagging out here on the 15-minute. Let's see what goes on. We'll watch it closely. We'll get an eye in the sky on it over here, Johnny. Find out where we're going. Could be forming a bit of a pennant flag. We'll see what happens. 15-minute getting low. 1 hour needs to reset desperately or do a double top of some type. Still forming a bit of a flag. Not too shabby. We nailed Burency for 53% gains on buy. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Everyone's like, guys, I like this coin called buy. Looked it up. Threw out a chart on it. It boomed to the upside. To the experienced trader, it all makes sense. Everything I'm doing is full on perfect. To the beginner, it looks like quote unquote magic, black magic, dark magic, some type of absurdities. And how do you not go to work for a living and play with triangles and shapes and sizes? Like a little kid inside of a sandbox, but a digital sandbox where you play with the sandbox, right? Anyway, what are all these new coins? See you all 3 tomorrow for the tutoring. And I played golf yesterday. When I'm in Crypto Rich, I'll play every day. I think the tutoring's on Tuesday, not Monday. I hope. Oh, no, I do have tutoring tomorrow, though. I have a lot of tutoring tomorrow. I'm going to take some profits out of Matic and roll it into Nano. Really? That's interesting. Boston Magic. Shout out to Tenacious Tim. Card, C3, OCC might be good plays for the Cardano narrative since they haven't done something yet. Card, C3, and OCC. Thank you so much for giving us those calls. And now we need to learn how to get on every single chain, how to fly high, how to get a wallet for everything. It's going to be absolutely insane, man. I'm going to take some profits out of Matic and roll it into Nano. Joe. Might be a good idea. You never know. Could be a long night going over the charts and researching. It could be. It could be. ACH blasting off live stream. Yeah, baby. Show me the candle. Show me the candle of life. The booming candle of life as we give you the call right now. We gave you the call live on the live stream. We gave you the call here on the live stream. I've never seen people giving calls up 8% since you got here on the live. My oh my, what a beautiful day. Alchemy Pay, gonna ruin your day. No way. To my dismay, it pumped all the way up to Jupiter's lasers. Meta M, get Liquid Hex for snapshot and launch. Be ready. You know so much and I need you to teach us, man. You need to become more active as a teacher. I need you to do tutoring about Liquid Hex. Was debating between AMP and ACH and went with AMP. Should have split into both. Aliyah, you know what? Tomorrow morning you might actually said AMP might actually go up even more. Time will tell whether you made the right call or not. And honestly, you'll never know. Go with your gut instinct. Go with what you had to do. Roll with it. Keep it moving. All will be well. All will be well. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hackin.io, Hackin Cybersecurity Services, request a quote. Hackin token, 11 cents, up 1,000%. Unbelievable. The Hackonomics, request a quote. Audits, about us. Where do I find this little puppy, huh? CoinGecko. CoinGecko is excited about working with Hackin for our bug bounty. Let's take a look at CoinGecko. Let's take a look at this coin. Another one on the radar here, Hackin. Perfect name, right? As I write Heckin. It's hard to type in stream. I can chart in stream, but type it in stream, now that's a whole different story. Okay, you can get it on, I think, PancakeSwap. That's what I'm going to guess here. KuCOIN, Gate.io, HAI. Oh my gosh, guys, this is another tiny little gem. Shout out to my team for doing constant research as Alchemy Pay just begins to pump to the upside. Congratulations to anyone that got into Alchemy Pay on the live stream. Pumping to the upside. Boom, boom, boom. Live calls on the live stream breaking on out. Alchemy Pay doing damage. That's insane. I mean, we made this call live on the live stream. Alchemy Pay breaking out live. Crypto Greg, you're the best, man. I love you with all my heart, man. What a great man. You're a good dude. Appreciate each and every. I love all of you. I just got to know Crypto Greg and see what he stands for. See how he never shies away with throwing that $20, $30 super chat. And, he makes the trades back every single time. That money comes back to him every single time. He believes in giving that away because he knows it's helping him make more money. Isn't that insane? But it's not insane. That's what happens when you begin to live with the ways and you're in tune. Here comes Rune again. Ali, you should have ACH makes good moves. The call that played out on the live. Shout out to Alchemy Pay, booming up to the upside. What time is it? What time is it? Wait. Oh, that's so hard to do, huh? With the angle of that. What time is it? What time is it? It is 10:26 p.m. Wow, on a Sunday night for the weekly candle close. Unbelievable. Send it. Solana looks like it's about to boom to the upside. Let me throw a call up for Solana. I feel like I got my team so poised and ready for these days, man. I look in the charts and I see them. They're all doing what they gotta do, moving it, grooving it. Look, yeah. They had it. My team had this. My team had this without me. As I'm live streaming, they're grinding through the charts, doing their thing, and they found the inverted head and shoulder. Bitcoin just did this and played on out. What do you think's gonna happen to Solana? Probably a good time to get into some Solana at 73. Might be your bottom dollar chance. Might be the last time you ever get Solana here. We gave a call out here for Solana. This call's still open. The trade was to get into about 76. You are down a little bit if you took the call, but you're not stopped out, and all is well, and you're only risking 10%, and you could begin to add to the trade right now. Is it starting to get pretty bullish? All right, we'll take a look at the 1 hour. It's probably flipping for us. Yes, it is. Take a look at the 4 hour. It's probably flipping for us. Yes, it is. This is a highly likely play to play out to the upside. Also, what we're seeing here is, look, shoulder, head, and shoulder, a giant inverted head and shoulder as well. And we also have a falling wedge here. Highly likely to play out Solana. Look for Solana to do some serious damage. I see Solana going up to a huge high all the way up here. 64% gains to $121 Solana. You heard it here first from a $74 Solana. Don't miss the ride on out. Don't miss the ride on out. You heard it here first from the Crypto Lifer. Do not miss the ride on out. Don't miss the ride, baby. I just gave you a price target right there. Like you would have to ask. Like you would have to ask. Seriously. Absurdities. How dare you question the Crypto Lifer? Send him to bed with no supper. And the next time, 3 lashings. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Solana's just going to beast mode its way all through. It's going to become one of the biggest chains, the biggest movers. Highly likely to play out. I'm going to quadruple a million star it. Give it a 9 on the Lifer Crypto rating. When I do that, that lets you know something's brewing. Something's brewing. Shout out to Ja Soleil with the 99 super chat. Like he's flying through space with this little guy. Love this little guy. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you. Most underrated crypto channel. Shout out to Calermo1. Sold price targets. I was waiting to get back in at 71. Hasn't hit buy order yet. It's sold. Who likes soccer? Let's get into CHE. About to pump to the upside as well. A call for CHE has also been given on the channel. Bitcoin 50K. Went 100K this year. Shout out to Simone Jensen. Keep being a giver lifer and expand it. Too many takers and people stuck on the selfish ways. Always give when you can. It'll cause ripples. If you're good in your life, it creates opportunities to give. Shout out to Brittany Spinoza. Thank you so much. As my Bitcoin alert starts to pump. Very interesting. My Bitcoin alert starts to pump. Solana, highly likely to continue up to the upside. Solana. Ja Solana. And how about the weekly candle close? I don't know. I did that for like an hour straight. That was insane. One of the funniest things I've ever done. Thank you for the water. Someone took a picture of me in the jar. You guys are awesome. Hilarious. That's awesome. Make that a meme. Sell that as an NFT. The Lifer jar face. We call that jar face. NFT jar face. Stamp that. That's an NFT. I'm saving it. I'm sending it to the team. We're going to NFT that as jar face. Sell it for $100 million in dollars. Sell it for $1 million. Guys, be careful what you're putting in here. You could get yourself banned right out of my group. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. I mean, the full moon's starting to pump, do its thing. We've been over this over and over again. There's top layer 1 projects: Cardano, Dot, Atom, AVAX, Sol, Phantom, Luna, Near, and Waves. Hot, all things you may want to get in your bag before it's too late. You may want to get these in your bag before it's too late, my friends. Before it's too late. All right? Before it's too late. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on into the live. You know, I've been I pick Phantom. Sometimes you pick one or two. I was on the Phantom from day one. It's been my baby from day one. Matic forming a bull flag. Getting ready to rock. Just saying. Luna. In price discovery. Anything could happen to Luna. You know, we've been trading Luna on and off. Let's take a look at where Luna's at right now as well. Luna. I mean, look at that. Now it's time. Now is the time, if any. Now is the time, if any. A beautiful call coming for Luna right here. An absolute beautiful call coming for Luna. Massive move for Luna. It gets pushed very heavily on Crypto Banter. It's like his favorite love. Another 57% coming for Luna, sitting in price discovery. All you have is his previous low. You can use the wick or the candles to hide behind. Bigger stop. Might have to kind of 13% sits more pretty for me. Shave it up to 15 maybe. 3.83 to risk reward ratio. Looking pretty nice. Price will start to fall, maybe a little more. Let's pull a Fibonacci on this and see what makes us happy here. Might it come back down to the 618? Highly likely it could at 23. It's still at 27. It's extremely oversold on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, but not on the 1 hour. 1 hour needs to maybe do some resetting. 15 minutes looking all right. 1 hour could double top up here though, and I've seen some magic happen. So, would I wait for the retrace? No, I would probably get in around now and just pray for the best, baby. It's Luna. You know it's going to continue up. You know this market's ripping. Let it do its thing. It's Luna, baby. It's Luna. So don't sleep on Luna. Highly likely Luna's going to boom to the upside. These are good, strong plays. All right, what else do I like in the calls here? I like Engine Coin. To continue to the upside, let's look at the call for Engine. booming. I see Engine getting up all the way here to $4. So 184 is still a steal. Look for Engine Coin. If it breaks this level here at $2, look for the breakout, the retrace, and the boom to the upside. Engine Coin gonna go all the way to 4 beans. You heard it here first on the live. Look for the retest. Engine Coin doing its thing. Engine Coin. More calls than we know what to do with. We're swimming in calls at this point. Remember back a few months ago when we had to pick whatever we could get, take whatever trade happened. Slim pickings. I'm on the 7-minute scalping. You guys saw me scalping on the 7-minute, doing whatever I had to do to make gains. We were doing it. We traded a lot of Bitcoin back then in the chop because Bitcoin was what you needed to trade. The altcoins, and then I used that money to accumulate the altcoins that I wanted. It was a beautiful play. A beautiful, beautiful play. This looks like it's moving for more. This Q is just booming. Look at this thing. It's about to break that target and just rip. This thing is absolutely out of control. Q and AVAX just want more. They can't take it. They want it all. They want it all, and they're not going to stop. Wow, even AVAX, they're going to pump together considerably. I would be taking profits on the way up. Remember that. Remember that. Pay yourself first. Near looking juicy, starting to make a move. Look, Near's going to do serious damage, I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. Again, none of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. Double top there. A little bit of bearish div for Telcoin. Watch Telcoin come back down, touch this level. So now it's going to make its way around town. Figure its way out. This is why Fibonacci retracements come in handy. You can just get ready to get in right here. Looks like it can come back and touch the 618 area. So if it comes down in here, you know to accumulate down in here. That's going to be your idea. And then you're back to the upside, ready to rock. So just something to think about. And that's a big, giant cup and handle for Telcoin. There is a handle there. All right. There's a cup. Penn Gaming. Told my buddy to sell it at 125. I nailed the top. Never went back. Sand. We made a call for Sand yesterday. I like what Sand's about to do. Sand in a bit of a cup and handy. I revealed the targets to the patrons only. Dot up. About to do some damage. If you like Dot, let's take a look at Polkadot. The whole market's looking absolutely beautiful, man. We've been blessed tonight with the full moon pump. We pump every full moon now. It's kind of like if you don't trade on the full moon, you're bugging out. You're defying gravity every time the full moon comes out. I mean, Polkadot all the way back to this Fibonacci level and target here at the 32.79. I see it booming. There's a cup and handle forming here too as well for Polkadot. Haven't given a trade for Dot in a long time. Interesting. Position for Dot. Scalp it out. Breaking out. Dot. Polkadot. I worked so hard this week, I can't tell you, it was one of the hardest working weeks I've ever had. And I have an extremely hard week tomorrow. It's absolutely insane how hard my week is. My Phantom call, booming. Up $150, beaming. I love it. Just try to collect every single day on the chump change and keep adding to the stack, baby. Adding to the stack as Phantom's starting to make a bigger move. Look at that. I mean, 4 hours just getting started. You wait till this 4 hour. You stay in this trade, my friends, until this 4 hour gets hot. It probably will blast past this target. Stay in this trade till the 4 hour gets high. We're going all the way up to 75 cents for Phantom. It's doing its thing, guys. It's doing its thing. Let me take a look at the chat. Let me see what's cracking. Guys, I stream so hard right now. I just stream so hard for like 2 hours straight. I start to come down. Like, it's just, my adrenaline just, I hit a peak, and then I can feel my whole body just like, I have less and less to give. Gina B, how many lifers can handle? Gina Bombina, it's like a cleaner New York, LOL. NYC is dead. Cool. US Terra. Cool, come visit New York. Wait, what's that? Gina, anyone else holding Coin 98? Gina Bombina. I want to see some magic. Gina Bombina. We are in Coin 98. We like Coin 98. We've been trading it on and off. I have a call for Coin 98 about to boom even more. Thank you for bringing it up. And it just continues. Look at the buy box right there that I gave you. I told you to get in right there with the Fibonacci level to the 618. Buy box, bang out, bang out. Booming to the upside, C98. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour formed another little something little busy. And look, shoulder, head and shoulder. If I make this small on the 7 minute, I'm going to show you the inverted head and shoulder. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be there. Shout out to Gina Bombina. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. Appreciate you, girl. Appreciate you, girl. Thank you for coming on in, girl. And there's your inverted cup, inverted head and shoulder, which also forms a pennant, bull pennant for C98. And you could have taken your here with your measured move. Could have swung on over, and that's going to give you your positional strength where you're probably likely to get a little bit of a pullback. This thing don't stop, though, at 343, continuing to the upside. We just started looking at it not too long ago. Look at this. Look at this. On August 14th, it was only $1. This thing has gone up at 3x. You put 10K in this, you would have turned it into 30K in about a week and a half. Absolute insanity. Absolute push to the upside. This has been an insane week of trading. I have to tell you guys, an insane week of trading. BC in the Matrix, lifer. Cake, we got to take, is Raven Coin going anywhere? I love your stream, man. Mashallah, you do what you do. Chocolate salty balls. You're so funny, man. Oh, you guys kill me, man. You sound like Mitch Hedgeberg. Loving it. I love Mitch, man. He's the man, dude. Check out Axie, YOLO. Been buying all day, and I never buy BTC. 50K Bitcoin, 80K is a nice price right now. Same. I like the song. Party, party, party. I want to see some magic. Anyone holding coins? That peg can't be beat. USDT, TerraPeg, yeah. ACH Blastoff, Wowzer. Let's take a look at the ACH Blastoff as it continues. C98 Blastoff. What weren't we in that did not blast off to the upside? Highly likely all these trades would play out. And what did they do? They played out. I gave a video call for the C98 back in this cup and handle. Boom, 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 boom. We done with NYC Nano, man. Where are you from? Cali. That's my girl Gina. Love my Montreal. That's my girl Gina. That's a family friend. Don't ever disrespect my baby girl. BC in the Matrix. Cup and handle on Trios. Yeah, 50K on Binance as well. Damn. Bus is not a truck. 50K, boy. 50K on Binance as well. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Did we hit 50K on the live? Yeah! Woo! 50K Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I called it on the live stream. I called it this week. All my thumbnails nailed it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I got lemon in my eyes, and my eyes are stinging with the lemon juice. With the Bitcoin shirt on, too, baby. I'm walking this tomorrow. I'm rocking this outside everywhere I go, baby. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, baby. Let's get hype, baby. We can't be stopped, baby. The crypto lifers win again. Boom, 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 tastic. I feel so alive tonight. How do you go to sleep on a night like tonight? How do you go to sleep on a night like tonight? It's going to get rejected by 50K. It's psychological support, but all we had to do was kiss it. 48K now is nice support for Bitcoin. Beautiful, beautiful target. 1 hour is high. I would take my profits on a lot of the calls I was in. If you're in a trade, you might want to jump on out of it. The BTC pairs might falter. The USDT pairs might falter. We'll see. But now we're going to watch. I'm going to track Bitcoin for you through the night. And then we told you, we're resetting here. Look at, we had a spike on that reset, though. They were just like, nah, we're not going to stop here. Look at this insane move. Oh, my God. Look at that candle. Bitcoin at 50K. Saw it with my own eyes. Super excited. Can't believe it. Loving it. I may have ruined the green screen. I almost fell over it. Unbelievable. That's set the sell-off orders. Wow, just got rejected. Shout out to you, Sam. Shout out to everyone here, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. How many people do we have watching on the live, man? How do we not have 200 people watching? We do. 196 likes. Can we have the likes up to the watchers, please? My goodness. We have given you guys so many calls. I'm out of my mind. My hair looks insane. I look insane. I've never been so hyped, man. Bitcoin at 50K. This is insane. Trying to actually get my composure about me here. 200 people watching, 200 likes. The likes are above the watchers. Unbelievable. Booming to the upside. One of the best Sunday nights we've ever had here on the live stream, man. Unbelievable. Whoa, baby. Holy Shitoshis. Let's go, man. I agree. 50K blue moon, baby. We call the blue moon. I gave you the video where I said the moon calls it. Very good advice. Shout out to Argito. Woo, 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 woo. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Grats, peeps. Wow, oh my G. Let's go. Not the lemons. 50K dumping. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys all rock. You all rock. Every one of you rock. You know that. You know every one of you rock. I know you all know that. Right? I know every one of you knows it. That you all rock, right? I just want to put the chat out here down in the bottom here. You know, I don't usually stream like this. I gotta put myself on the other side because when I look like that, it looks like I'm looking over there, and I need to look more like there. So, you know, but we'll get down to it all. But guys, thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much for being here with me every single day. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys rock it out. You really rock it out. I'm so happy to see you guys, man. Look at this chat booming. The chat is booming. I might as well put the chat out there. You guys are awesome. I will hide this too. I'll hide my doing damage little guy. I can shrink him. I'll shrink him, but I'll keep him around. He's cool. He's cool, man. Lifer fam, love sharing info and opinions with you. God bless you all. Shout out to Joe Jose Ramirez. Me Hoover. V-Chain is good, man. Hopped out of a 10K profit on ACH. Thanks, brother. Back at 50K. 50K again. Love this. Love this. Next stop, 75K. Man, this is insane. Unbelievable, man. What a move, guys. What a move. What a move. Bitcoin. So we're going to track Bitcoin. My Patrons know I'm not going to give it away anymore. It's my suit, my little special sauce. But yeah, we're going to be tracking Bitcoin throughout the night. Unbelievable move to the upside. Let's see what's happening in the chat. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. 200 likes to celebrate the lifers. 50K. Pizza, thanks for the 10K night on ACH. You are the best. Shout out to Crypto Greg for the $50, making 10K on the live stream. And yet again, man, killing it. Killing it. August 22nd, what a sweet ride. May 21st to August 22nd, what a sweet ride. Full moon, baby. Mask is on the move. Crypto Greg, big ballin'. Dan, are you a fan? Are you a log? Thank you for the $50 super chat from Crypto Greg. Much appreciated. I'm noticing that the alerts don't come on anymore, right? What's up with my alert box? I don't know why. I'm going to have to figure that out. I'll reinstall it. Retest 47.5 and we can get going. That would be beautiful. I like VChain and Alchemy Pay too. Lifer Gang, doing numbers. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We're pumping harder than any other coin in the game, baby. We gave you AVAX as AVAX continues to pump to the upside. We're going to see a massive move in altcoins. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance and find out what's happening in Bitcoin dominance. Unbelievable live stream. Unbelievable live stream. How do you go to sleep on a night like tonight? Dominance looks like it's going to pump, but look, it just dumped on us. It just dumped for us. Altcoins taking a stream. People diving into altcoins right when Bitcoin hit 50K. Unbelievable. And this could be a shoulder, head and a shoulder. It could be. I'm telling you, it's not the best, but that could be a shoulder. This could be a giant head. This could be a shoulder. We could see this dump to the downside. Anything is possible right now. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour still trending to the downside. We can see a double top, a double bottom down here. It's not over. 4 hours extremely. Oh my God, the 4 hours oversold. Overbought. This thing wants to dump. Dominance is going to dump. We're going to see a massive move in altcoins coming. An altcoin super cycle, as I predicted, highly likely to play out now as this is starting to move. This is insane. I won't repeat that, but yes, who doesn't? Altcoin's gonna move. Full moons bring out the animal in us all. What an amazing night, guys. What an amazing night. I hope I didn't ruin the green screen. Hey, you don't really see that part of it anyway. Shout out to everyone in the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Who likes the new format? Is the new or the old format or whatever format you want? Who likes that format? Looks like altcoins are going to continue to pump. I think Bitcoin goes up 50K. Now it swings between 48 and 50K for the next 2 days, and altcoins just rally. Like, we just have an altcoin rally like you wouldn't believe. Like, go through your couch. Make sure there's no loose change for the next 2-3 days. You should just, it looks like this week might be an insane week for a big move to the upside. Absolute insanity. I made like 7K during the live stream, no lie, on some position. Like, this is insane. Like, I'm not trying to boast that way, but this is absolutely insane. Like, insane. Quant. Do what you gotta do, baby. Quant's playing games right now. That's annoying. Quant's been annoying me. But Bitcoin dominance looking highly likely to break up to the upside. Let's take a look at total 2. I said my adrenaline was low. Remember I said, guys, I'm getting low. And next thing you know, man, boom, I pop back up like a freaking boom. Look at this, dude. Wow, look at this. And I kind of gave you, I said, total needs to hold this level. I drew this pennant, and I said we would go all the way up here to $2.9 trillion. I've been also predicting, and I did this before in the last bull run, I accurately predicted all the moves all the way up through, on the way up to the next target. So it says we're going all the way to 2.29 trillion, and we're sitting here at $2.1 trillion. The last time, the highest we were at was 2.5. I mean, we're only $400 billion away. We are climbing. We're about to hit the all-time high in this entire market. We are going to get there faster than you realize, guys. This is insane. This is insane. Sweet. I am wiping my brow. No, not sweat. Okay, I got confused. 50K, babies. Laughing my ass off spinning. Let's get the highest vibes in the game. No one has higher vibes in this. Banano coin. I like Banano coin. Hello, Upper Hope. You see this man, same hometown as me, brothers and sisters. Hello, Upper Hope. You see this man, same hometown. Brittany Spinoza, old format, to be honest. New format for the win. Best wrestler ever, in my opinion. Feels like Halloween. I don't know why. Insane, right? It does kind of feel like Halloween. What a spike on the market cap. Never bought XRP, but I love how they took on the SEC. Dude, Sol ready to blast off. Yeah, Sol looks ready to move. Sol looks ready to move. It really does. Interesting times for sure. Do you think it'll get tomorrow? How high do you think it'll get tomorrow? Anything is possible. Gina, you're the Gina that I know and love, aren't you? Just say yes. Put a peace sign or a 2 sign when you're like, it's the real Gina, right? I never verified if this is you, but it would make sense that you would come find me out here online. It would only make sense. Is it you? Yes, amigo. David G. All good. Is it you too, David? The Hoover family. Please look at XRP from the Hoover family. Shout out to Peter Englefield. Cody will explode. Look up Axie. Thanks. We looked at Axie many, many times. Guys, there's a lot of new people. Guys, I live stream every single day from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Sunday nights at 8 p.m. for the weekly candle close for Bitcoin as we go over the weekly candle close for Bitcoin. I didn't look the weekly candle yet, so this is the total market cap. Highly likely we're going to get a pullback here at $2.9 trillion. There are going to be pullbacks throughout the game. That's what happens, but they're not going to be as bad as what we just went through for the last 3 months. It was insane. It was absolutely insane. Axie for it. Binance is listing wax. My call didn't expect to print this big of a candle, but worth keeping on the radar. I just had deja vu from this exact moment in time. This exact moment in time. Greg Soul does look really good on the 1 hour and 4 hour. Damn, Gina, I've been watching you for a while. That's my sister friend calls herself Gina Bambima, and I couldn't see the picture. Gina Bombina. Well, I appreciate you, Gina, and thank you for coming on into the live stream. Mwah. I didn't know you yet. Mwah. Oh, wow, guys, a little spicy there. Ooh. Spread the word, everyone, to get the lifer to 1 million subs. I think Hot and Ohm are about to pop. Just make sure you're heavily invested in cryptocurrency. That's all I got to say. He is married. Luna and Solana, please start taking off. Oh, you begging for it now. CSG booming. Sam, alt season in full effect. Life or don't sleep. Special thank you for all your hard work, bro. Thank you, bro. Whoops, never mind. All the Patreons should be on the live right now. Every single one of us should be on the live, holding it down. This is insane what's going on tonight. Let's take a look back at Bitcoin. Do we go to 54K? Do we hit my target? I mean, now that we're cracking 50K, we're gone, baby. We're gone. Gone, baby, gone. Gone, baby, gone. All the way to my target here at 53,800. We're on the way. Patreon paid, thanks to CZ. There you go, man. Everyone should have gotten paid tonight. If you didn't make pay tonight, what's cracking, baby? What's cracking? If you're not in a winning trade tonight, what's happening? What's crack-a-lacking? You know what I'm saying? If you couldn't pull at least the Patreon. At least the Patreon. At least the 99 for the Patreon. You know what I'm saying? Only thing down right now for me, Quant. Everything's having fun but Quant. Let's take a look at Total 2, which is the entire market cap of all the altcoins, which is very aggressive as well. Look at that bull pennant. Breaking to the outside. I see it going up to $1.26 million. So another 100 million coming in the next day or night. 50K Bitcoin. This is serious. It's getting serious. 50K is FOMO time, baby. We called it on the channel. If you go to my live stream and we look back, 227 people watching, 237 likes. As crypto's back, baby. Crypto's back. Everybody's back in crypto. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look, Bitcoin flashes a major buy signal. I went long. I'm telling you, man, Bitcoin breaking out to 50K now. That was a day ago. Top coins, man. It was started to break out then, and I was calling it. Calling it. Bitcoin bounces right now. Alts boom. Top 10 reasons Bitcoin and all of cryptocurrency will boom in September. Made this whole, and there's real ideas behind that video as well. Fidelity on crypto. Bitcoin holds 45K. Bitcoin going to 54K. How and when? I call it right here. 3 weeks ago. I'm calling 54K 3 weeks ago. This is the second time I've called 54K before it ever happened. Just saying. I'm just saying. The proof is in the pudding, my friends. The proof is in the pudding. I got no clickbait. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Guys, I go live every single day. I have a Patreon for $99. Join the Patreon. If you do not, we have been killing it. We've been taking... let me show you my win rate on the Patreon in the last month and a half. 1 month. This is 1 month in the Patreon. 1 month in the Patreon. Are you ready? Let me take a deep breath. 35% gain for Axie, 15% in 15 hours, 7% in 5 hours, 35% in LTO. We nailed a Bitcoin trade. Axie for 46%. 33% gains for Storage. 52% gains for FET. 27% gains for Theta. 40% gains for FRM, Ferrum Network. A lot of these trades, if you've been in them now, you'd be up even huger because they gave you perfect entries on long-term holds. 48% on Quant. LTO for 25%, 28%, no stop loss got hit, no stop loss got hit, no stop loss, no stop loss, no stop loss, no stop loss, no stop loss. Serum got hit for 35%. We hit Hex for 30% when it boomed. We took Luna for 30%. We took 12% in 12 hours on KNC Kyber Network. We took 25% on DREP, 12% in 15 hours on Nano, 20% on SDX, Kava, nailed Kava. Man, 14% on Balancer Token, 70% on Alpha, 70% gains on Wing. 14% on PNT, FIO for 26, 39% on Unify. We know more coin names than most people. 39% on Tower, 15% gains. We know the new coins, the hot coins, Polex, 80% overnight. That happened like less than a few hours. 26% on Sand, XDC, Mana. Congrats again on SRK booming up to the upside, and another one front we gave you. 30% on Cody. The gains keep going. The games keep going. Look, I don't even have the breath for it. MDT. Then this is just, boom. More. Solana. We hit Solana for 100. I said more to come, and I said it was going to go up 100%. More to come from your entry here at Solana. What happened to Solana? We nailed it. PNT for another 43%. Boom for 46%. On Harmony Network. Doc we gave you for 20%. Dash. Here's the Solana call for 108%. Luna, another boom up for another 25%. No stop loss. 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 Storage for 28%. SRM for 33%, 42% on MTV. We gave these calls during the day today. I get in the boom, we start moving. Rose popped, this popped. HCH, I gave you the call on the live stream today and it popped. Like, I'm giving the real calls, like, right now in front of everybody. Like, I am not hiding a damn thing. Like, I do this every single day. I put my life and soul into this. I put 150 50 million bazillion percent. I give everything I have into this, man. Every single thing I have, man. And I appreciate each and every one of you. You are the reason that I show up every single day. You guys are the reason that I live this life. You're the reason I don't have a 9 to 5. You're the reason I teach this. You're the reason I love doing this. This is my life. I love YouTube. I love it more than anything else in this world, man. I'm so excited. And no, it's not I mean, the algorithm of YouTube. I love this experience that I'm getting to have right now with everybody. I'm so blessed. Like, I'm so blessed. Like, I want it to go on forever and ever. Like, I feel like it's the hardest job I've ever had, I'll be honest. Like, I have no real free time for myself. I work so hard. But honestly, I do what I love every single day. And I get to play with finances, and I get to move with crypto, and I get to do what I love. And guys, there's nothing like it. There's nothing like it. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of what I'm building. And just, I love you guys. I love you guys, man. I love you guys. I love the lifers. Love you guys. Urban Nerd Beats, man. 4Tube recently launched on Binance. New lending firm. Just saying. Really? 4Tube? Are you kidding me? What is this thing? It's on Huobi? Interesting. It's on Binance, but you can't get it anywhere else? Interesting. What's the BTC target before it retraces? 53.8 possibly? Sam, I just want you to know that I see you. I see you working 16 hours a day. I see how you work at making sure the calls go out quickly and the updates that you have. Thank you, Dustin. Appreciate you, man. You genuinely deserve every single bit that is coming your way. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Dustin. I appreciate you, man. Love and grateful for you. Love you too, bro. What would you put 6K in? The Hoover family. Honestly, man, I hate those questions. But buy is my new thing. Just watch what I'm doing is putting a lot of money into buoyancy. I like this thing. Buoyancy looks really hot. Really, really hot. I like it. Buy USDT on KuCOIN. I'm just fixated on the 4,600% gains that could be coming out of it. And it's forming this beautiful pennant, and it's getting really ready for another move to the upside. It's highly likely this is going to boom out. I like this call, and I like this coin. I'm going hard in it. I'm going hard in it, man. I'm going hard in this guy. So many trades looking spicy. This is low cap, ready to rock. Hasn't really popped yet. Began to pop, but hasn't gotten like the major pop yet. Starting though, it's doing its thing. It's getting ready for a really big parabolic move though, I believe. And it's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. Stop loss 11%, gain 37% on buy. Let's effing go, baby. Shout out to everyone here. Lifer, have you ever covered Bounce token? 2 million circulating supply. No, I never heard of it. I research hard. Shout out to Gina. Then jump on in and become a... Guys, we need researchers. We need admins. We need people in my group. The group's going to grow. We need people to help the group grow. I'm vetting people that I love that look awesome. If I think you're doing what it does and you want to be part of the Crypto Lifer, email the Crypto Lifers at Gmail. Let them know why you want to become part of the team and jump on in. I'd really, really appreciate each and every one of you. Opinion on XEC. Thanks for everything, man. I've never heard of XEC, but all-time high is 132. Buy all-time high is 132. I know, isn't that crazy? So this thing, it's 6 cents. All-time high. It can go to 46%. Best community right here. Hard work pays off, Sam. Dogecoin bought to make a massive break on the 4-hour. I'm 18 and 450 in profit today. Great YouTube channel. You're the man, Rupee. Appreciate you, man. Bounce token ranked 440 on CoinMarketCap. Probably going to do some serious damage as well. Let me take a look at Bounce, maybe on the next live stream. I need to get my book out now. It's getting back to how it used to be, man. Today's the day. We're back on bull. It's full-blown bull run. There's no question we're in a bull run. Anyone that claimed we were in a bear market, they went too high and dry trying to make their channels awesome and trying to call things. Dude, we hit it, though. We hit it. And honestly, we could go to 54K and still go down to 25K. Remember that. We go to 54K and still see 25K. We are not out the water yet. We are by no means out the water yet. And I want everyone to understand that. We are not out the water yet. By no means are we out the water yet. We could go all the way back to 15K, 20K. That's why you got to take profits on the way up. You never know exactly what's coming your way. You got to trade like anything is possible. These whales can whip us and spin us and flip us and drill us They can do anything they want to us at any given moment. You know it, and I know it. So just be careful. These whales can do it to us, man. These whales can do it to us. All right? Go to Crypto Bubbles and throw that behind me. That will look pretty cool. Bought 5,000 on buy on KuCOIN. There you go, my friend. Shout out to the Hoover family. Appreciate you, man. Love a good soak, though. Matic, please. Holy Satoshi, ACH, ripping. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alchemy Pay. It's got huge news coming out tomorrow. Something to do with, they say it's going to be dealing with, they say, what they say and they say. People are saying there's going to be some talks with Alibaba. 1 hour still cooking. No reason to get out of that trade. 1 hour still cooking. Bitcoin's going to hang at 50K. You know what, though? It's gone, baby, gone. Gone, baby, gone. I'm going to go to the 3-day. I'll erase my previous work. Shout out to everyone that took the call on Bitcoin. We nailed it yet again. We've been trading it since down here. Absolutely ridiculous. You want to see my trade? I'll give you my trade, my live call. And I made other calls. I bought even more, but I have one call I can give you live. Show you the skin I have in the game. Shit, I ain't no wussy. I ain't no wussy. I went long at 32,400, baby. 32,400. I went long with 14K, and I made $8,000 off of $14,000, and I did it not too shabby, baby. Not too shabby. And I bought way more Bitcoin, too, on the low that I'm going to hold long term, and I probably will never sell this Bitcoin up. This is 0.5 Bitcoin, too. I got half a Bitcoin for only 14,000. Now you're going to have to buy half a Bitcoin is now 25. You have to pay 10K more, basically, for the same price, man. 0.45 BTC. It is what it is, baby. It is what it is. So, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Huge day for the cryptocurrency market. Huge day for the market. Banging on them. Banging on them. Banging on them. I also threw another $8,000 into Bitcoin at about what? 44,000. That's up 900. Not huge, but you know, just kept accumulating BTC. I felt the need to get Bitcoin at that price, man. At that price. And I'm going to look back on those prices. When Bitcoin goes to $1 million, that's going to be $500,000. What that buy right there is going to be a 500. I did it not too long ago, but 33,000 into Bitcoin. I bought it on the pandemic dump. I bought a 0.78 Bitcoin, and that turned into like 45,000. You turn $3,000 into 45 grand. That's a 10x. I'm going to turn, right, 14x into 140 grand or more. It's going to happen. Highly likely to play out. I'm telling you right now, I've mapped it out in my head. It's going to happen. So now we look at support and resistance here. And look, we're at the resistance. So if we break above this 50K region, look, that's big resistance. We break above this, we crush it. And then the next really big idea here, or the next big, hard price is going to be 55. And then we're going to go to 58, and then we're back to the all-time high, and we've shredded on, and we've done our thing. Also, I've been showing everybody this. People don't want to see it, but, I also call this by saying on the weekly time frame and the 3-day, whatever time frame you really want. We had swing up to swing up here. And when I hit Alt-T, which is my keyboard shortcut, swing down to swing down, that is hidden bullish divergence. Tells us that the trend will continue to the upside. And what happened? The trend continued to the upside, my friends, just like it always does with hidden bullish divergence. Okay? Also, if you flip this upside down, isn't that a cup and handle broke down and double? Isn't that, it's just interesting. Kind of weird. And look, the cup and handle did not go to the downside. We got lucky on that one. Man. And honestly, right, when a rising wedge drops to the downside, it goes and it goes. And if it breaks this level, it's going to keep going. And the measured move of this rising wedge, right, is right here. It's this is the measured move of the rising wedge, is it not? So that's the measured move of this falling wedge. You get it? And that's why you flip charts upside down, because they give you a perspective that you'll never see. And that's why you want to join the Patreon. You're going to learn things that you're not going to learn the basics of TA. You're going to learn the basics of TA, but then you're going to learn the wacky way my mind read it. And everyone's unique. That's the gift we all have, is that nobody's like us. And the idea is we're going to pump to the upside, baby. Someone send in a super chat right now just for the love, please. Send in a super chat just for the freaking love, man. Seriously, someone send 333. I want to see 333 on that screen. Just for the love, man. Just for the love, baby. So look at this. I see Bitcoin pumping even more. getting all the way up here, 89% gains for Bitcoin. The target for Bitcoin is 92,000 Bitcoin. I'm gonna publish this so it's set in stone. I'm gonna publish this so it's set in stone. Okay? Bitcoin pop, 92,000. Okay? 92K. Thank you for the 199 super chat. We is a good entry on ADA. $3. $3. 333. 33333. All the 333s. 33333. Beep 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 beep.
Now that's a lot of damage.
Lifer, go Lifer. Shout out to James Patello. Shout out to Fidel Escobar. Shout out to all my peoples out there, man. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you y'all. So check it out. I go long with it. 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 Gotta move, gotta keep it grooving. Gotta move, gotta keep it moving. Gotta groove, gotta boom, gotta keep it moving. Every day I gotta go, gotta get a Satoshi. Gotta get a Satoshi to keep it getting the most, to keep it spitting the go. I ain't no ghost. 29 of you folks in here, share the channel with friends and family members. Let them know, man, let them know. Coming. Let them know, guys, we got a big movement. We're trying to push through. Shout out to the three. Yo. $333 super chat from my man Scott Lee. Full moon love. Yo, make it rain on me, baby. Make it rain on me. $333 super chat from my man Scott. Yo, Scott, you're a real one, dude. I noticed you when you joined the group from the Jerry Jump. Your calls, your insight is key. You know, I've been honing in on you without really putting too much pressure on you, but damn, man. ETH pumping 33333. Boom, Scotty making it. And let's not push down the other ones. $1.99 for the Hoover family. Thank you so much for that $1.99 super chat. $3 from Fidel. $3 from 333 from James Patello. Appreciate you, man. 2 3s from my man Fidel. He actually hit me three times. So he hits me with the three times. Hits me with the 3 again right there. Just for the love from Love Learning for the $5 super chat. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Man, remember, this kid just got me creeped out. Remember the last time we had a run like this? Next thing you know, the lights went out, right? So I kind of want to get out of here in time for this to be celebrated. Guys, the trades are going well. The channel's going well. The Patreons are going well. Your lives are going well. I'm trying to work so hard. I am working so hard to push it. Phone won't let me change to 333. Shout out to Larry Parmley. You're in there, though. You got the words right there, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to the Abundance, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Live streaming for 3 hours straight. And look, if I had closed this earlier, who knew? May never have gotten the 333. This is from everyone. Full moon love, man. Scott Lee, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate you more than you would ever know. That's very, very kind of you to spread the love to us all in a way. And you know what it is? Now you do what we do. Guys, we got to do some trivia now. We got to do some trivia. It's time to give. It's time to give. It's time to give. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to write a random date down. I'm just going to write a random date down. I'm going to write a random date down on a piece of paper. I'm going to write a month, and I'm going to write a day. The person who gets the closest to the month and the day wins $100 in BTC. $5 for Kana, banging on him, 333. Who would love 100 BTC? Not 100 BTC, 100 USD in BTC. All right, so I'm writing it down right now. I'm going to pick a random day. I wish I had dice so I could even find a random dice day. I'm just going to put my name. I'm actually put my finger on a screen and whatever number's closest to it. Okay. Okay, I wrote it down. Whoever can come up with the date, $100 BTC. Okay, I'll let it run. We'll 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 let it run. Who wants to get it? Who wants to catch it? Who's going to get it? This is going to be hard for us to find all the dates, though, right? Someone's going to hit the date. Someone's going to hit the date on the time. It's so hard for me to track. Okay, we got a close one there. I remembered a name. I saw something that was close. Someone's got to hit the date. You got 1 out of a 365. All right. Okay. 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 All right, I'm going to call it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cut off. Bam. All right. All right, it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. Wow, that was fired off. Okay. Okay. The date that I wrote down was July 5th. The date I wrote down was July 5th. July 5th. July 5th. July 5th. July 5th. Now we have to figure out who the heck won. How do we do that? How do we do that? How do we do that? Aaron Chapman. Did you win, Aaron? The Hamburglar. Okay. 7-11 is my birthday. That's the one. July. Chat went off. Ah, shucks. Admin's got it. Really? Did an admin get it? Who won? Did anyone know who won? Can anyone check who won? This is so hard for me. Look before everything. I said July 5th, bro. What? Yeah, let's look. Let's look. Let's look. We're looking through it together. Okay, so it started at the very beginning. All right, let's see this. Hold on. We'll also do the first person to say the right date, because anyone... Wow, I can't even get to the chat all the way at the beginning there. Could have been more. How do we all... Can someone help me do this? This is insane. I don't even know if I can do this. And then I have to look at the chat too. We just ripped this chat up. Yo, we just created algorithmic fury. I'm telling you right now, that's going to pump that algorithm, man. That's got to pump the algorithm. That's got to pump the algorithm. It's got to do what it does. It's got to do what it does. If I open up the whole chat, can't scroll up far enough. I know, right? I get to the Luis Estrada and then I'm done. Like, I can't get any further. I want to do it right. Aaron claims he hit it. This guy had 7-3. This is the first person I saw that was close. 7-3. It was pretty good going at the beginning. I'm going to take this. This is so okay. Then we had, so he was the closest, and I wrote his name down. I wrote like a J in the quickness. Let's see what's going on here. See, if I get, I give away immediately. I give away immediately when I get. Because that's how you... Because why do you want to have it all to yourself? It's ridiculous. 7-6 for the Hamburglar. All right. Aaron Chapman right there. 11-11. You get one shot too, Aaron. You can't put a... Aaron 10-10. Aaron 5-5. So I see a lot of... I mean, I guess I can't say. You could take multiple shots, I guess. Right? 11-07. That's a good one. 11-07. I like that. 333. That's a lot. You're good. Yeah, I like this guy. I like this guy. He should have won anyway. You know what? Nil, message us. You win 25 just for doing that. Yep. You win 25 for being funny. I like you. I like your style, bro. 333. You win 25. Email cryptolifers@gmail. Email cryptolifers@gmail. Send in your BTC address. You win nil for doing your funny little move. You get it. You did something funny no one else did. I love it. I love you for that. I'm a weirdo. I like it. I like it a lot. So did we come to did we come to conclusion? Are we able to find any Annie has it for the Hamburglar? Well, then I had a cutoff too. You have to see where I wrote cutoff. 7/11 is my birthday. That's the one. 7/5. Please check the chat history. I believe you, man. Jason Westfall. Is there a history set in stone somewhere? Max Smith did. Do a quick search. Can you search this? Manage. I don't know anything about what I can do to the chats. I don't know. Guess how many people will email you now? I know, right? Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, but it has to be. Oh, yeah, I'm Nihil. Yeah, Aaron called it. Chat, it's cooked. The hamburger got it. So who wins, man? Who wins? Aaron brought it. Aaron, 1113. 75, he got it. All right, Aaron Chapman. Aaron wins, dude. I'm giving it to Aaron. Joe O's official. Shout out to Aaron for winning. Appreciate you, brother. The hamburger, I took a screenshot. You passed it. Damn, man. Blessed. Wait, the hamburger got it. Come on. Wait, you guys, we got to figure it out. Aaron called, to be fair. Lifer, I appreciate you. I mean, I want to give it up to the, hamburger. I appreciate you, man. Don't worry, you'll win again one other time. Don't worry, man. I called it as well, but it's cool. Same, it's hard, man. See, I got to make... Me, I win because I was the first to email you my BF address. Just chose the Hoover family bought 3,000 more buy. Look at this dude going hard. Listen to the mod, love learning. Yeah, I'm going to the mod. I'm going to the mod. I'm telling you guys, check the 1113 timestamp. Bullish divvy on Aaron Chappie. Well done, bro. Aaron, I'm giving it to you. I like Joe. I think Joe's official. I like how Joe's doing this. Something about this guy, Joe, that lets me feel like he's got this, like, I don't know, assertive nature to him. He's been around the streams lately. He's focused. I get a vibe. So when I give it, I get it. When I get it, I give it, guys, immediately. Dropping 10K, F it, all season. Who's rolling one? Shout out to Gina Bambina. Aaron also called another name. Give it to Gina Bambina. I know, right? Gina, she's awesome. And so, look, Cardano just had a bit of a, let me publish this idea. Bitcoin going up to $92,000. More than 10 people said I got robbed. I know. The hamburger had July 4th. He was, I know, I did see that he saw July 4th first. I did see that. Yo, you in Mass, Gino, we rolling. Are you in Mass? You're in Mass, Fidel? I didn't know that. I'm in love with Gina. You guys are crazy, man. I mean, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for one of the greatest live streams we've ever had. One of the greatest live streams we've ever had, man. Like, how can we top this? As we come back to the beginning song and we end it with a beautiful, beautiful time. What a wonderful time to be alive. Thank you for coming on in, guys. Makes me want to shout, baby. Yeah. And ACH goes for more. Booming for more to the upside. I think it's going all the way up 21%. Send it. One of the biggest days in the crypto market. If we didn't know that we were here, we're here now for sure. Let's take a look back at Bitcoin one more time. And I'm out of here for the night. What an insane night. I love each and every one of you for being here. Thank you for being a crypto lifer. Thank you for being a Patreon. Thank you for giving it your all as Bitcoin is playing games. I think Bitcoin's going to hover between 48,000 and 50K and go up and down here. And then that's going to be really good for the altcoins. We're going to see a big push to the upside. All right? And remember, take profits, please. Always take profits. Look, the whales took some profits here. Of course they did. So take profits, no matter what. If you need help taking profits, let me know. I can show you the way. All right? I can show you the way. Take it. Look at your trade. Like, I'm in Phantom right now. I'm gonna ask myself, should I take profits? Okay. And it's a short-term play. I have a longer-term bag. And yeah, I mean, we're extremely high in the 15-minute. 1 hour's high as well. I mean, highly likely that was our top for the temporary time period. So I'm going to sell my trade. And I'm going to take my money. Wasn't a lot. I made 200 on 36. But I got in at the beginning of the live and I got out at the end of the live. Right? So I wasn't in the trade too long. Try to show you the trade over here. Let's see. I got in at 6:14 p.m. and I closed it at 11. 5 hours to make $200 off 36, and that 36 becomes 38, and that 38 becomes 4, and that 4 becomes 44, and that 44 becomes 5, and 5, and so on and so forth. Thanks, everything, Sam. See you tomorrow morning on the stream. Looking forward to the tutoring sessions. Shout out to Dustin. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you, man. Here's some love for all the care and love to the lifers for the 333 low profile. Guys, thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you so much for it all. As we say goodbye and we call it a night. And why not do the lifer song at the end, right? Why not do the lifer song? Let's change it up.
Gotta cherish every moment like it would be your last.
This is my life. This is how it looks. This is my story. Take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. This is my life. This is how it looks. This is my story.
I'm also a rap artist. I have tracks on iTunes.
These are my friends.
Check them
Tight knit
out.
through the twist and the bends. I would love the same way again, and I would die for all of my friends, and I would use my blood for a pen to write you a letter you see through my lens, and I can see the light in her eyes, the light of my daughter, the light of the sky. Never in darkness, we never be shy, forever be bright and forever we rise. Nothing you could say to me, nothing you can do to us. I'm the one that made these dreams, stuck it when they shoot at us. Bleeding out my wrist, had me running to the ER. Trying to save my life, I was born just to see scars. So every single moment is a blessing that I can't get back. Appreciate the seconds and the minutes as they turn to black. So light it up and blow it back, count it up and blow a stack. We in the here and now, to the past, we ain't going back. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. Our lives are just a flash in the pan, a leaf in the stream, a sprinkle of sand. At least we can dream, at least we can dance. What we leave for our seeds, we leave with the land. These are the days, these are the times. Let me be free, let me be thine. We all want the same, we all want the love. Nobody's alone, cause this life is a drug. What is all the hate for? What do we debate for? What you gonna wait for? Your dying day is coming, so what you coming late for? I'm coming like a racehorse, busting through the gate. Change my fate with my face for. My life is a gift, and I'ma give it till there's nothing left. Going till the sun is set, holding up one more regret. Winning with the stunning bet, double down and run a rep. Keep my family living lavish till every last one is set. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends. This is my life, this is how it looks. This is my story, take a page out my book. This is my family, and these are my friends. Tight knit through the twist and the bends.
I love y'all, man. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. I appreciate each and everything you guys do for me. I would be here, I would be nothing with every one of you. You guys make it what it is. This is the true decentralized nature. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.